Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. सबका चाय हो गया? Done with tea, coffee, or snacks?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What do you drink, everyone?
Sir,
Arvind, coffee.
nothing.
Coffee, sir.
Coffee. Others, Satvik,
Officer.
coffee. Ishita,
Coffee.
Officer.
कॉफी सब कॉफी चाय वाले कोई नहीं है मनन है ना
क्या सर?
ए चाय पीता ना रे तू
हाँ सर, ओनली चाय.
ओनली चाय सी सीख ले
Today
सब
only
एसबीआई स्टूडेंट्स आर ड्रिंकिंग कॉफी अंडरस्टैंड दैट कुछ ना कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट है एफआर स्टूडेंट्स
रात को पीता हूँ कॉफी, वो तो पढ़ने के टाइम पे.
अरे मैं तो व्हाट अरविंद
sir. Today only coffee. I'm usually
हाँ
a tea person.
हाँ राधिका एसबीआई का क्लास ही है बेटे दिस इज एसबीआई क्लास ओनली वी हैव कंबाइंड टुडे as mentioned let me disclose again that three standards you will be attending FR class only. I want your base to be good so that you will not face problem in when coming to 4 to 5 mark question that usually comes from FR. समझ में आया SBI students? So when you're learning this standard, enjoy it. Yes? Chalo then, let us not waste time. Yes, this will be available on YouTube. Today is the last date, it will be available. After this, YouTube पर कुछ नहीं जाएगा. You'll get your login IDs, you can watch that. Yes, sir. Give me 1 minute. Chalo then, I hope we have started with the classes. We have completed IAS 16 for the FR. For SBR, we have done IFRS 13 fair value. IAS 16, we have done. IFRS 16 leases, we have started. So it's important that as I complete the topic, as I give you the questions, please do complete it so it becomes easy. For FR students, question bank is given to you. Please follow that. Yes. And when coming to SBR students, once the topic is done, every day we do 5 to 6 topics and I give the questions from the past papers. Do it. Yes, sir. So now let us start with IAS 40 investment property. Before starting with this, we should discuss the basic. What does investment property means? Let me take the example. This is a whiteboard. Let's scribble here. Now today I say this is Satvik. अरे यार ये सात्विक का कंपनी है. Satvik, what will be your name of your company if you start your own firm?
Still not yet decided. So let's keep my name only.
SV Limited.
Yeah.
Let's say SV Limited into construction business. SV Limited is into construction business. Yes, sir. Now SV Limited is constructing a building for, let's take Manan. SV Limited is constructing building for Manan. Manan is giving money to whom? Satvik Limited. Now if Manan is giving this money to Satvik Limited, for Satvik Limited, what it will be? What this will be? Revenue, sir. Now this land which is that this land belongs to Manan. Now this land which belongs to Manan, Manan will use for what purpose? Manan will use this for business purpose or for what? Not for business. That is, he says, sir, I have बहुत सारा पैसा है मेरे पास. I have good amount of money. I want to construct a very big bungalow and want to enjoy my life. Or Manan is saying that I'm starting a new business. Let's take, I'm constructing an office here. This is my office building. Now, everyone, for this office building, what will Manan apply? Or M Limited. Let's take it is M Limited. What will M Limited apply to this office building? Which standard?
IAS
IA
16.
16.
IAS 16. Can I say one shortcut? What did I mention? If it is for business, if it is for business, it becomes IAS 16. Now, Manan is saying that I want to construct a bungalow here. This bungalow is used for business purpose or for his personal use.
The personal use.
Personal use. This becomes what, sir? IAS 40. This is the difference. Business use, IAS 16. Sir, other than business use, IAS 40. One more example I will take. I say that M Limited does what? M Limited has 10 properties and all the properties are given on rent. All the properties are given on rent by Manan Limited. And Manan का business ही है. It's Manan business to give property on rent. He purchase a property, he give on rent. He purchase a property, he give on rent. This becomes what? All this property will be what, everyone?
IAS 16.
IAS 16. I hope everyone understood the basic difference where we will apply IAS 16 and where we will apply IAS 40. If this is clear, then the accounting will also be clear. अगर यही clear नहीं है तो क्या होगा? कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. Yes, sir. So, what does investment property means? Term only can say property which is for investment purpose. Property which is for investment purpose, not for business purpose. Yes, sir. This is clear. Now, one more example. I say M Limited is into manufacturing of t-shirts. Big business. M Limited is into manufacturing of t-shirts. M Limited has purchased a land. Someone has mentioned, let's take for Manan. Manan, I had suggested to Manan to purchase this building or to purchase this land, that the price will rise. I am saying, Manan, that government is coming up with a project here. You purchase the land. In 2 months or 3 months, you'll be crorepati. That we say, no, put 10 lakh rupees, get 1 CR. I am saying him. Now, when Manan is purchasing this land, will this be IAS 16 or will this be IAS 40? What do you think, everyone?
Sir, IAS 40.
IAS 40. Others?
IAS 40.
IAS 40. Aravind is also saying IAS 40. Everyone will say IAS 40. Can I say the intention was what? Was the intention to use in the business? Or was it to make money out of this by selling it?
Capital appreciation.
Capital appreciation. This was for what, sir? Capital appreciation. Yes, sir. I hope this is clear to everyone. So what does the definition of IAS 40 says? The definition of IAS 40 says one simple thing, that if you purchase a land, if you purchase a building or a property or XYZ and you're giving this on rent and it's not your business, it's investment property, you have to follow IAS 40, not IAS 16. Yes, sir. Now, coming to one more point. Everyone, A is there, B is there. Today, A is giving this property to B on rent. A is giving a property to B on rent. Assume yourself that you are giving a property to me on rent, Baba. You have 10 properties, you have given one property to me on rent. If you have given one property to me on rent, can I say A is the owner? B is who? Let's say customer as of now. Yes, sir, customer. Now, when this is taken as the example, what is the basic term we use in a practical world for this owner and this customer?
Lesser and lessee.
Okay. Others? Lesser and lessee, no? I hope everyone knows this term. Lesser and lessee. FR student, अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा lesser lessee क्या होता है, understand. Lesser is who? We will do this in detail when we come to IFRS 16. Lesser is who, sir? Owner. Lessee is who, sir? Customer. Now, when coming to this lesser, can I say this lesser has a property or not? Yes, sir. Now, this lesser has a property. How will lesser record? Lesser will either follow what? IAS 16 or IAS 40, depending whether it's his business or not. Yes, sir. Sir, what will lessee do? Lessee will do what? Lessee will pay every year what? Rent expense. So, what will lessee record? Debit, credit? Debit expense, credit cash. Cash is going out, simple. But IFRS 16 says what? What does IFRS 16 says? Everyone listen me. Even though if you have not done IFRS 16, just understand the logic of this. Every year you record expense. Every year lessee will record rent expense for 5 years. 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. But as you're doing a professional course, you're learning IAS and IFRS, just to complicate your life, they are saying what? You should record what? Debit, right of use. Sorry, I will not use this term. Many will confuse. Standard is saying record asset and record liability. What is IFRS 16 saying? IFRS 16 is saying that we should classify this as what? Debit asset, credit liability. Did everyone understand this basic thing? Any doubts to anyone? You can ask me now.
Sir, after 5 years, lessee record debit asset or credit liability.
उसके
Before 5
पहले,
years.
उसके आज, 5 साल
आज-
बाद नहीं, आज ही.
Okay, sir.
So debit asset, credit, lease liability, the terms are what? Right of use asset and lease liability. These are the two terms which you'll understand. But my intention is not to explain IFRS 16 here. My intention is not to do IFRS 16. My intention is to do what? To explain what does right of use asset means. When will lessee record right of use asset? You learn in IFRS 16, it should be definition of lease, etc. But did you understand the basic logic of IFRS 16? IFRS 16 is saying instead of recording debit, expense, credit, cash, you have to recognize this as what? As an asset. Even though who is the owner? Who is the owner here? Even though A is the owner, but still B is recording what? Still B is recording it as an asset. If you remember your conceptual framework, the first class SBR student, if you remember the conceptual framework, asset never means ownership. FR student also have done this. Asset never means ownership. Yes, sir. It means right. Here, who has the right? Lessee has the right. Now, sir, this lessee has this property. Sir, lessee is also giving this property to someone else. You are giving a property today to me on rent. I am giving this to someone else. Can I say I am acting as a mediator here? A third party? As an agent? So when I also give this property on rent to someone else, again I have to decide whether this asset is IAS 16 or IAS 40 or not. For you it is IAS 16. Let us say it's your business. You have given this me. You have given your property on rent today to me. I have just given to one of my friend. I am paying you rent of 10,000 rupees, but I am collecting from him 12,000 rupees. Practical world में होता है ना ऐसा? In practical world this happens or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
This is a common situation. Yes, in that case, what will I say? I will record asset and liability as per IFRS 16. This ROU, this asset which I record, further I have to decide whether it's IAS 16 or IAS 40. My intention is not to explain IFRS 16. My intention is only to say that when we take any property on lease, the lessee will record and right to use asset. That right to use asset is also an asset. That asset, how will you treat? As per IAS 40 or IAS 16. Sir, if it is my business is only that I take property and rent and I give to someone else. Then IAS 16. If it's not my business, IAS 40. Did you understand the logic, sir? IAS 16 means what? IAS 40 means what, everyone? Yes. Chalo then. Everyone mentioned ki sir doubt nahi hai. See now, these are the topics which we'll be doing. And if you are either doing FR or SBR, you think ki sir ye chota standard important nahi hai. Every attempt I say for FR student also that investment property is very important from MCQ point of view. Yes. For SBR students, why I say FR syllabus is also important because 4 to 5 mark question comes. And last attempt we have seen 12 mark question from IAS 16. So this attempt, IAS 38, IAS 40 chances are very high. Yes, sir. So see, first we will see the definition, sir. Then we will see dual use of property. See, if you want to make notes, you can make running notes. If not, you will get this notes. FR students, I mentioned to take printout of the handwritten notes and make rough notes wherever you have problem in topic. Then ancillary services, faltu ka topic. Then from consolidation point of view, what does consolidation means? We will discuss. Then we will come to recognition. Recognition means when should we recognize this asset? Then initial measurement. So initially, how do we record it? Same like your IAS 16. I mentioned if you know IAS 16, IAS 38, IAS 40 will be easy. Then subsequent measurement. So how do we record it subsequently at the balance sheet date? This is initial recognition. Today I purchase an asset. I record in my books at 10,000. At balance sheet date, what will I record? We have to consider that thing. Yes, sir. Then the last one, transfer to or from investment property. Whether you are SBR student, whether you are FR student, you will face problem in this, and this is only tested in the exam most of the times. This is only tested in most of the time for either FR or SBR. You will not believe me because I have seen students September attempt IAS 23 coming for 8 marks in SBR. December attempt IAS 16 coming for 12 marks. So understand that each and every part is important for SBR, also for FR students. Yes, sir. Now let us start with the definitions, sir, first of all. Let's see what IAS 40 saying. Investment property is a property. Sir, property का meaning क्या? What does property means? अरे property means land and building, Baba. It does not means only building. Property means land and building, or both, either land or either building, or both. Held by the owner. Owner is who? You, I, anyone, or by the lessee as a right of use asset. Either owner or by the lessee as a right of use asset. Can I say this example which I've taken here? Can I say yes, this example of B, can I say B is the lessee here? B is the lessee here, and B is recording this as what, sir? B is recording this as right to use asset. Right to use asset. This also can be investment property. Yes, sir. To earn rental to others, we give on rent, sir, or capital appreciation. I purchase a land after 2 months or 3 years or 5 years or 5 months, price is going up, I sell it, I make profits, or both. Yes, sir, or both. Rather than for use in business, it should not be in business use, or sale in ordinary course of business. Sale in ordinary course of business. Let me take the example for this. Everyone, it's R Limited, my company. I purchase land. I purchase lot of properties, I sell. I purchase property, I sell. I purchase property, I sell. I purchase property, I sell. What I am doing here?
Selling the
Business.
inventory.
Sir, business.
I am doing a business only, no? Purchasing property. Let's say all of you have one property. Your property price is 10 lakh rupees. I give you 20 lakh rupees. I say I'll purchase this. I will sell to someone at 30 lakh rupees. I know that skills. I have that skills to sell that 10 lakh rupees ka property for 30 lakhs. I am buying and selling. What I am doing here? Business, no? If I am doing business, this to this property, what we will apply? Will I apply IAS 16? Will I apply IAS 40? Will I say IAS 2 inventory?
IAS 2. Sir, IAS 2.
Inventory, no?
Yes, sir.
This will become what? Inventory. Yes, sir. This will become inventory. Like, let's say for your Shobha, DLF, for these companies, when they have flats, etc., what are these? Inventory only. Because they're selling that only. Yes, sir. So this is clear. See now, it should not be or sale in ordinary course of business. This is the definition of investment property. Is this clear to everyone? What does investment property means? Yes, sir. Now, everyone, today I say that it's my company, R Limited. I have purchased the land. Let's take I purchased the land. I have not yet decided what will I do with this. Question can come in your mind, no? Ki, sir, we have purchased the land. We have not yet decided what we will do. In that case, what this will be? In that case, this will be what? Question mark.
सर आप कैपिटल अप्रिसिएशन के लिए रखते रहेंगे
I mentioned I have not decided anything.
तो उसके वैल्यू तो बढ़ते जा रहे था इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो
Okay, Rohit is saying investment. Others with any other logic?
सर IAS 16.
IAS 16. IAS 16 क्या बोलता है? बिजनेस के लिए होना चाहिए. We should produce from this प्रोडक्शन ऐसे प्रोसेस होना चाहिए. इधर कुछ हो रहा नहीं है. I have not decided anything.
सर नॉट डिसाइडेड भी तो शायद जाता है IAS 16 में.
Okay. Others? Anyone else with a new point? अरे I mentioned IAS and IFR is a logic. Whenever I start any standard, I give you logic. If we have learned IAS 16, I have given you the logic, the story behind that. When we have done IFRS 16 in leases, lease is very simple. Just to complicate your life, they have done something. So here also I'm saying, Are Baba, let's say your parents have purchased a property. Yes, sir. You're working in America or US, etc. XYZ country. You have property in India. Do you think about that property?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. What will you do with that property? क्या सोचोगे आप?
सर मतलब इन्वेस्टमेंट हुई है सर एक तरफ से तो
Can I say whenever I purchase a property, I have not yet decided anything. Can I say what is the first thing I will do with that? If I'm not decided anything, I will sell and make profit, no?
Yes, sir.
If I'm not decided, तो basic sense क्या आएगा पहले?
मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट ही है because
Investment only, no? If I want to do business, etc., I decide a lot. So here, whenever I have purchased any property or land, I have not yet determined the use. क्या करेंगे क्या नहीं करेंगे? This detail it is not yet tested, but have this knowledge. Yes, sir. So whenever a land is purchased and the use is not determined, IAS 40 is simple. The standard is saying what? Whenever you purchase any property, you have not yet decided, what will you do? If you have not decided, let's say I'm in UK, I have a property here. I'm living there only. I'll not come back to India. कभी होगा नहीं वैसे, I'll be in India only. I say. What will I say? I'll come to India. I'll sell this property. I will take this money. I will go back to UK. So what is my intention ultimately? Investment only, no? So this also will be investment property. So this is the definition of IAS 40. I hope this is clear to everyone. Any doubts in the definition of investment property? No, sir.
सर जो लेसर लेसी वाला पॉइंट था वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि
नहीं आया तो वो IAS 16 IFRS 16 में रखो, मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा उधर, ठीक है?
इस पे आपने लिखा है ना rather than for use in the business, इसका क्या रिगार्डिंग हो? मतलब सेल होगा तो इट्स नॉट इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टी बट rather than for use in the business.
बिजनेस यूज ऑर्डिनरी, यही डाउट है?
हाँ नहीं मतलब फर्स्ट पैरा
ये वाला
नहीं rather than for use in the business रेड पॉइंट पे आपने
Sir, the red line.
ये वाला, ये तो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया ना. Rather for use in business, it should not be for your business purpose. अगर बिजनेस पर्पस हो गए तो क्या हो जाएगा? पीपी.
हाँ 16 में कंसीडर हो जाएगा.
If I say I purchase property, I sell, I'm a broker. My company is that it's a broking company. We purchase property, we sell it. We purchase, we sell. So inventory.
Okay.
Yes, chalo. So now see some examples I've written where you'll make mistakes. Property that is rented out to employees is deemed to be what? IAS 16. I have explained this logic also in what, sir? IAS 16. Now let's say it's your company. Let me take the example of Bangalore only, Baba. I'll take my example only. Let's take a college is 2 kilometers away. I teach in colleges also. 2 kilometers दूर है. My house is here. Let's take I'm a full-time employee here. When I travel to this for 2 kilometers, it takes me 30 minutes. Half an hour से ज़्यादा ही लगता है मेरे को. Now, in this case, I am a very good employee here. The company is saying what? No. This college is saying, sir, we have a building here where staffs can stay. So you can also stay, sir. Your 30 minutes are wasting, etc. XYZ. A lot of reasons. Sir, you can stay in this and you can pay us 10,000 rent. Now, when college has a property, or let's take any company also. If a company is in this location and let's say nearby 200 meters or 300 meters, staff accommodation is there, and this building staffs are living as well as they are paying the rent also as per the normal market condition, that property will be what then? That property will be what then? IAS 16 only. Why will a company do a favor for you? Why will a company purchase a property nearby the office and give you on rent? That you come on time, you need not waste your time, your productivity is more, you need not get stuck in traffic. All these are the example for what? For business purpose only. So whenever a property is given on rent, it will be what, sir? IAS 16. Whether the entity is charging full rent, no rent, or less rent. It will be IAS 16. Yes, sir. Then property being constructed or developed on behalf of third party. Today I have a property I have given to you on rent. I have given to you to construct my house. Will you say that this land belongs to you?
No, sir.
No, simple. I have a property. This property I have given to you to construct. Let's take A. To construct my house. Will A say that this building or this land belongs to A? Never. A will say what? My motto is what? I will construct your house. You give me paisa. So that will become what for me? Revenue. Simple. So this property has no relationship with this A limited. Whenever you give a contract, let's take you give a contract to a contractor saying construct my house. Does that land belong to the contractor or you? You, Baba. So you will show in your balance sheet as an asset. Contractor will just show what? Revenue as you pay him. Yes, sir. Then, as mentioned, forget this point. We will discuss at the end. Land bought but no use is determined. IAS 40, sir. Yes, sir. Property which is constructed for future use as investment property. Property which is constructed for what use? For investment only. Whenever you purchase a property and you construct this for what? For investment purpose, what we will say? It's investment property only. Yes, sir. Now, this point which is there will be difficult to relate. Once we complete your IFRS 16, I will explain this point. Clear? You have to remind me, sir. Point number 3 is pending when we do IFRS 16, not now. Yes, sir. Is this clear to everyone, the definition?
Yes, sir.
Please think when coming to ACCA, as mentioned, ACCA is not like your BCom exam or etc. where they will test your memory power or your writing speed, etc. Application, how you think, whether it's MCQ, whether it's a case scenario. So with this, the definition is done. Now in definition also, there are 2 to 3 points which I want to explain. Think and say me the answer. It's common sense. You have seen in practical world this. Now I say, I have a property. This property I have ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor. This floor is my office. मेरा office है खुद का एक. Assuming here these two are classroom for my business purpose. Classroom. And these two I have given on rent. Not given on rent. Let me see. It's my house here. These 2 floor I stay, and these 3 ground floor, first floor, second floor I'm using for my business, third floor and fourth floor for my personal use. Now everyone saying from a company point of view, this belongs to a company, that is R Limited. Now everyone say me, what will you apply? Will you apply IAS 16? Will you apply IAS 40? What we will do?
सर सेग्रीगेट कर सकते हैं इसे इजीली, तो दोनों लग जाएंगे सर, IAS 16 और IAS 40.
Okay, others, what do you think?
तो दोनों ही लग जाएंगे क्योंकि फर्स्ट 3 फ्लोर आपका रेवेन्यू पर्पस के लिए यूज हो रहा है, तो IAS 16 कंसीडर.
Okay, 2 are saying, sir, we can separate it. Others, what is your answer? Come up with your points, no issues. Let's say it's not my house, Baba. Let me be more clear. This, it's A limited. Let's say it's Super Infinity Education only, Baba. SIE. SIE has a building. This building they're using for office and classroom purpose. 2 floors are extra. They have given on rent. And the rent which we receive is, let's say, 10,000 of these 2 floors. And it's not a business. Super Infinity Education का business क्या? To provide good quality ACCA classes. Simple. उसके अलावा कुछ business है नहीं हमारा. In that case, this building which belongs to SIE, what they will do with this building? So 3 floors for business, 2 floors for renting. Now how we will separate? What does common sense says? So first 3 floors will be IAS 16.
16.
This will be what? IAS 40. Sir, how we will separate it? Can I say if the value of this building is 10 lakh rupees, how will you separate everyone? हाँ
हाँ
how
सर, जो रेंट आएगा 2 बिल्डिंग का उससे सेपरेट कर देंगे, जो बाकी है वो सब हमारा ये 16 होगा।
वही तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कैसे करोगे सेपरेट? दिस इज द टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ द बिल्डिंग इन द मार्केट, हाउ विल यू सेपरेट इन IAS 16 एंड IAS 40?
सर जो मार्केट
सर
वैल्यू होगी
लीगल
रेंट की,
टाइटल चेक करेंगे, लीगल
Can I
टाइटल।
say I will divide this by 5? अरे why are you thinking so much in complex?
हाँ
Think common sense.
हाँ ये सर आया था दिमाग में, बट लगा था कि गलत
हाँ
कहीं
वही
जाएंगे।
है, when we are learning accounting standards, no, what we think, no, कि कुछ rocket science we are learning, नहीं. The person who has made this IAS 40 or the members, can I say they are also human being, no? जो आजू बाजू चल रहा है वही देख के तो बनाया है स्टैंडर्ड.
यस सर।
हाँ,
यस
why are you
सर।
thinking in detail बाबा? Yes or no? Divided by 5 कितना आया ये? 2 lakh. So can I say 6 lakh is this value, 4 lakh is what, sir? Abhi do not argue with me ki saying sir ground floor will have good value, first floor will have this value, etc. Arey go with a basic common sense first. After that we will see which has good value, etc. XYZ. Is this clear? This is known as what? Dual use of a property. Two things are done in one single property, you separate it. Now sir, a question mark comes. Sir, how can we say that we can separate it? Sir, how will you separate it? Will I demolish this to separate it?
नो सर।
If I demolish, asset भी नहीं रहेगा बाबा. Then why will I use standard? What is the other way?
सर फ्लोर्स अलग है तो उन फ्लोर्स के अकॉर्डिंग हम सेपरेट कर सकते हैं ना, ग्राउंड फ्लोर, फर्स्ट फ्लोर, सेकंड फ्लोर, तो IS 40 और फोर्थ, थर्ड और फोर्थ IS 16।
Now everyone, let's take ये शोभा का अपार्टमेंट है. You purchase a flat number 36 here. Now when you purchase this flat number 36, you'll do agreement or not? हाँ no, legal paper, what will Shobha Limited or that company mention in that contract? That floor number 36 belongs to XYZ person. This is the measurement, this is the area XYZ. Can I say with this I can separate floor number 36 with the agreement, with a legal contract? Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
With a legal contract, I can separate. So the standard is saying what? The standard is saying simple. When will you say that you can separate? When you can sell it. When you can sell in a separate portion. Yes, we can sell these two flats. If someone wants to purchase, we can sell it. So in that case, we say what? We can separate it IS 40, IS 16. Yes, sir. Now a question, everyone. Did everyone understand how can we separate? Legal terms, you can sell this part separately legally, or legal registration is done. We can say legal registration is done for each flat or for each floor. Now I say no legal registration and you can't sell a single floor here. Then what should we do? I say it's not legally possible to separate. No legal contract. I can't legally separate this. Then what will company do?
आपके 3 फ्लोर बिजनेस यूज के लिए तो IAS 16 लग जाएगा। आप ज्यादा ज्यादा प्रॉपर्टी आप बिजनेस के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं।
Okay,
और
Rohit is
सब
saying this. Anyone else?
Sir, same point as Rohit.
Okay, okay. Does everyone agree with Rohit? Ishita, Navjot, Satvik, Suchit, Simran, Asta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, na? Can I say if it's difficult to
Mhm.
separate, what will I say then? Sir, if this building is majorly used for business, then classify this whole building as what? IAS 16. Sir, if this is majorly used for what, sir? Renting purpose. Let's say only this one floor is office. Then what we say? IAS 40, apply IAS 40 to the entire building. That is known as what? Dual use of a property. Yes, sir. So see now everyone, the next topic. See, dual use of a property. If land and building is used for dual purpose, means it is partly used for business purpose and partly let out. Separable. Separable means what? Can be sold separately. Legal title is available. Then treat separately. Cannot be separated, then significantly used in business. Significantly it is used in business. IAS 16 for the whole property. Insignificant business use. IAS 14. Yes, sir. I hope this is clear to everyone. So let me write down this example here so that when you refer this, office, and we have rented it out. So we'll apply IAS 40 here and IAS 16. When, sir? If we can separate it. If we cannot separate, then better what we will do? I say this is office. This is given on rent. Can't separate. Then the entire building, what we will classify this as, everyone?
Investment property.
Investment property. I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes, sir.
सर कैसे इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टी सर ऑफिस भी तो है ना
तो ऑफिस तो एक ही है ना, बाकी चीज क्या है? रेंट
अच्छा
पर दिया है।
मेजरली हम इसमें देखेंगे कि क्या है
हाँ, तो वही तो
Okay,
मैंने
okay.
बोला, वही तो
हाँ
डिस्कस कर
बस
रहे कब से।
वही बस कंफ्यूजन था थैंक यू सर
अरे यार, ये प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहा है मेरे को। When I say three floors for office and one floor for rent, and we can't separate it, simple. Can't separate it. Then what will follow for the entire thing?
IAS 16.
IAS 16. So with this dual use is also done. Yes, sir. First, I will complete each and everything of definition. Then we will shift to question. Now coming to the next thing, ancillary services. Now this is here arguments can be there in this topic. So just listen for practical exam point of view. I have not seen any question in SBR also in FR till now regarding this topic, but I'll still take it. Now everyone, this is a property which belongs to me. This property belongs to me. Let's take 10 flats are there. How many flats? Total 10 flat, not 10 flats. Sorry. I say this is my property. Here 6. Now I say that this property I've given on rent, bete. It's not my business, huh? It's not my business. My business is not to give any property on rent, etc. I have a property. I've given this property. Now, when I give this property, no, I also give some basic services like security guard. A security will be there. Yes. Then I say, what could be the other service? Parking service.
Maintenance.
Okay, maintenance. Chalo. A small garden is also there. Chota sa garden hai. When I give this, can I say these all are extra service or not, which I'm giving you when you're living in this building? Yes, sir. So this will be what, sir? When I have a property, when I give these services, yes. Same example I will take. You only will say me the answer. Are I say here what I say? Swimming pool is also there. No issues. Now let me take the same example. But when coming to services, what are the services I provide? Gym is also there. Swimming pool is also there. Then what I say? Then we also provide food delivery also at your doorstep. Then
Mess.
what? Each
restaurant.
mess, etc. Okay. Then any other example? Give me.
सर प्ले
Gym.
गार्डन एरिया लाइक टेनिस
Oh,
बॉल
Gym.
लॉन
Okay. Then
टेनिस
can I say that there are 3 vehicles also. You can use this 3 vehicles. That is, one car is there and 2 bikes are there. Whenever you want, you can use this. And what we
convenience
say?
stores.
Provision store is also there here. सब कुछ है. Now everyone, when in this example, when I'm giving this all the services, what do you think? Am I doing business here or I'm doing a business here? In which case I'm doing business? What do you think? First case or case 2? Case 1 or case 2? In which one I'm doing business?
Case 2.
Rohit is saying case 2. Others?
Sir, case 2.
Case 2, yes or no? So the standard is saying that what will you do? You will fool us, saying that you will say I'm providing 1 or 2 or 3 services, basic, etc., XYZ. But the standard is saying that if you provide significant services, and we will apply judgment here. If you're providing significant services, it seems that you're doing the business only. No. If you're providing each and everything, so here this will become what, sir? In this case, can I say when ancillary services are provided more, it becomes IAS 16. See, in this judgment can be there, arguments can be there, but I'm giving an example to you. Understand this basic example. Now, then do not ask me, sir, apartment are there, each and everything they provide. Yes, judgment, you apply the judgment, you see the intention, you discuss everything you do. But I'm giving an example for ancillary services. Sir, if the ancillary services are basic and less, we'll apply what? IAS 40. The intention is what here? Intention is to check whether the person or the company is doing a business or not.
You're saying like retirement homes, like that. AS 16.
Yes.
It will apply to that.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. So with this, ancillary service is also done. See now, ancillary service. Ancillary services are provided by the owner of the land and building to the occupants of the property. If ancillary services are insignificant, then it will become what, sir? 1, 2, 3. I say security. Then I say maintenance and parking. But when coming here, this will be what, sir? Investment property. But when I say the service which I provide is security service plus gym, you say your playing area, not playing area, food delivery, instant food delivery we only provide at doorstep, food items at doorstep. Then what we say, vehicles are available, you can use those anytime, and a lot of ancillary service. This will become then what?
Provisional store.
Yeah, provisional stores, whatever. It becomes what? PPA. It's like doing a business better, providing a service, simple. So this ancillary service is also done. This is also the part of definition only. So what is done? Definition, then dual use, ancillary service. Now coming to consolidation. Now coming to consolidation. Now I hope everyone will be having a little bit idea of what does consolidation means. SBI students को तो रहेगा. I hope everyone knows what does consolidation means. Let me give an example. See, this is A. This is A. This is B. A is what? Dad. B is what? Son. Dad is earning 10 lakh rupees. Son is earning 5 lakh rupees. From individual point of view, what is the income? 10 lakh, 5 lakh. But from the family point of view, if I say, what is this?
15 lakh.
15 lakh. This is known as what? Consolidation. This is known as what? Consolidation, sir. See now, if I have a company today, let's say A company is there. Let's say Jio only. Reliance company is there. Reliance company has 51% stake in what? Jio Limited. Can I say Jio Limited and Reliance Limited will do what? Will prepare financial statements. Reliance company will prepare financial statements. Jio company will prepare financial statements. But to show their power in the market, to do show off, they will prepare something known as what? CFS. I say why CFS is done in a short form to do show off, but to show the true value of the company. To show true value of the company. It's not that ki sir bank mein 50,000 bhi nahi hai, we are purchasing an iPhone today. We still have to pay 2 years ka loan or 2 years EMI. It's not about that. It's about a basic thing that whenever consolidation is done, what will happen here? Listen me. Understood what does consolidation means? Consolidation means that A, R Limited and J Limited will prepare a single financial statement. One single financial statement. This single financial statement is known as CFS, Consolidated Financial Statement. Sir, when they prepare CFS, what they will do? They will add the income of both the companies, reduce the expense, everything. Now, everyone, see here. Same example I'll take. Now I say R company, J company. R company has a property. R company has a property. This property Reliance company has given to whom? Jio company for use. Is this the main business of Reliance company? To give property on rent? As of now, no.
No, sir.
अगर होगा तो वो अलग बात है. As of now, I'm saying no here in this example. No. Not the business. If it's not the business, Reliance Limited will account this as what? IAS 40. Now, Jio company will, how will Jio company do the accounting? Can I say Reliance is what here? Lesser. Jio company क्या है? Lessee. Yes or no? R is lesser, J is lessee. Yes, sir. Now, Jio company is using for business purpose. If Jio company is using for business purpose, Jio company will record this right of use asset. I mentioned this right of use asset is what? A technical term, which we will learn in IFRS 16. If you know, good. If not, just assume that lessee will record an asset. This asset, how will Jio company treat this? Jio company will treat this as what, sir? IAS 16, because they are using for business purpose. Now, when they prepare CFS, everyone, when they prepare a CFS, can I say here, one is recording investment property, one is recording IAS 16. Now, you only say, if we say that these both companies are one only, if both the companies are one, will any company give to itself any property on rent?
No.
No,
Basic
sir.
thing with basic, वो सब मैंने डिटेल में मत जाओ. So can I say from a group point of view, can I say this is still IAS 16 only? Whether
Yes,
it's Reliance business or Jio business, दोनों एक ही है ना? So can I say, how will you treat this property then? Will you treat this as investment property or will you treat this as per IAS 16? You will treat this as IAS 16, sir. Ultimately,
16.
it is used within business only. So it is IAS 16. Yes, sir. This is what? From the consolidation point of view. But if I say everyone, Jio company business is regarding recharge. Jio company has given this to someone else on rent. Listen me, understand, digest it, digest karo pehle. I say Jio company is not using for business purpose. Jio is taking from his dad. Let's say his son is taking a property and his son is giving that property to his friend on rent. So then what is the company doing here ultimately? Business or it is an investment then?
Investment.
Investment IP. इतना डिटेल आता नहीं है. From example point of view, I've explained. Yes, sir. I hope this is clear to everyone. That, sir, when we prepare a single financial statement, when I see from my point of view that my earning is, let's say, 10,000 rupees per month, but from a family point of view, I see, okay, sir, 1 lakh rupees. So it's okay that we are living in India. Yes. So वैसे चलता है concept. Same way here. See here now, everyone. So see now, property leased to group members. Separate financial statements, how they will record this? As IAS 40. From the consolidation point of view, what will I say this? Here, this is lessee. Lessee will either follow IAS 40. Let's say it is using for business only now. IAS 16 in separate statements, in financial statements. But when I talk from a group point of view, bete, when I talk from a CFS point of view, this will become what, everyone? IAS 16. Is this clear to everyone? So till now, we have completed the definition of what, sir? We have completed the definition of IAS 40. Yes, sir. Now, chalo, let me give some questions so that you can identify what is happening here. Will not waste much time now. The major discussion was regarding this one only. The other things are repeated. Question bank. IAS 40, yeah. Now SBI student, do not worry कि sir हमको इतना easy आएगा. What will come I'll mention. But just understand the concept. If you understand the concept, it's done. Now everyone read this question and say me what should be done. Again, it's a revision of what we have done. HP कौन है रे? HP.
मतलब जोत वो फोन की ना
अरे,
बैटरी लो हो गई थी तो मैंने इधर
कोई
लिया
नहीं
है।
कोई नहीं कोई नहीं. When you're learning standards, when I say whenever you're learning accounting standard, enjoy it. Do not think कि sir क्या पढ़ रहे sir exam pass होना है exam pass होना है. Do not think now. When you're learning any concept, enjoy it. Think from a practical point of view, sir. This also can happen. This also can happen. So when you do questions, you'll enjoy doing. If not, if you think कि sir मेरे को exam ही pass करना है, yes, we have to pass the exam. We will concentrate now at the end of 1 month. First, when you learn the concept, enjoy it. After that, when we do question practice is for what? For exam purpose only. Everyone say me what is the answer for the first one?
यार हेड ऑफ वो 4 फ्लोर्स तो उसके रेंटेड है तो IAS 40 और बाकी का IAS 16.
I want anyone to read the question. चलो किसको सात्विक read the question बेटे.
Yes, sir. P Limited owns a 5-story building. The ground floor is used as its company's head office, while the remaining 4 floors are rented out to unrelated tenants. The floors are clearly divided and can be sold or leased separately. Management plans to continue earning rental income from the 4 floors over the long term. However, 20% of the total floor area is occupied by the business itself. P Limited uses the fair value model for investment property. Based on the above, how in the financial statements under IAS 40.
Yes, everyone say me. SBR student. See, FR student. Question bank में questions are there regarding. SBR student, you have a 6-mark question which was tested in the past paper regarding this one. Yes, sir. Let me clarify. You think कि sir फालतू का topic है. फालतू नहीं है. Now everyone say me, should I record this as IAS 40, IAS 16 or should I separate this?
Separate.
Why will I separate? Can I say everyone there mentioned that it can be separable here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the line. Yes, sir. So what will I say? This, we will treat this as what?
IAS 40 for
And IAS 16. Any doubts to anyone in this question? No doubts. Yes, sir. So you have to just link and mention that it is separable. We have to record separately. Yes, sir. Then follow IAS 16, then follow IAS 40 respectively. Now, when coming to ancillary services, everyone say me. By just reading both the questions, you should say me the answer.
सर फर्स्ट वाला IAS 40, सेकंड वाला IAS 16.
So second one is IAS 16 revenue generator.
Okay. See, SBR student, why we have done IAS 16 first and then we are doing IAS 40 and then you have on 25th class? Because when we do leases, this will be helpful. Everything is interrelated.
सर फर्स्ट वाला IAS 40 होगा.
Okay. Can I see the example which I've given? Same example here. Sir, first one is what? Everyone says
IAS
IAS 16. Then the next one is what? IAS. Sorry, उल्टा
No,
लिखा
no,
ना
sir.
मैंने.
Yes, sir.
IAS 40, IAS 16. Why I am saying here IAS 16? Can I say I'm doing business? What is the business? Can I say lodge business? Hotel business? Same way, no?
Service department.
Yes, sir. So this is clear. So with this, the definition part is done. Any doubts to anyone in definition? Nice, sir. Now jumping to recognition. फालतू का topic है. When should you recognize? Everyone remember recognition criteria of IAS 16. Investment property shall be recognized only if when probable future economic benefit. When future economic benefits are there. Probable future economic benefit and cost can be measured reliably. Yes or no? If I purchase a property today, let's take I have a property. I will record this as an asset. Can I say when I record this, I pass a journal entry? Can I say I should know the amount or not? Yes, sir. Then only we will be able to recognize this. So what is the standard saying? Basic thing. Recognition. Investment property shall be recognized as an asset only if probable future economic benefit cost can be measured reliably. Yes, sir. Any doubts to anyone in this? Or can I say this repeated point? Same as IAS 16 or conceptual framework which you have done? Yes, sir. Now coming to the measurement. The main game is regarding measurement only. After this, the standard is done. If you understand measurement, then so see now, when coming to measurement, everyone. Today I purchase a IP. IP means what? Investment property. This is known as what, everyone? Initial measurement. Initial measurement means when I purchase a property. So this means what, sir? Subsequent measurement. Subsequent measurement means at the year end, at what value I will show the property. Now I say, everyone, today I purchase a property for 10,000. I purchase a property. Now initially what amount I will record this property? Initially I record this at what, everyone? Cost. What does cost means now? Initially we record this as what, sir? Initially we record this at cost. Cost basically means what? Can anyone say me what does cost means?
Purchase price.
Purchase price.
Purchase price, everything. Can I say cost basically means, see, you know, cost means purchase price. Standard is saying your life is not simple. Cost does not mean purchase price. Cost means other elements also. What are the other elements? I purchase a property, sir. I pay to a lawyer 1,000 rupees. I pay for stamp duty to the government. Let's say 5,000. I say that okay, there are some other expense, some legal expenses, 500. Can I say all this will be part of the cost? Yes, sir. Now cost means what? Cost means directly attributable cost which are related to what? Which are related to bring the property into the location and condition which is mentioned by whom? The owner, or whatever condition he wants. So cost basically means whatever cost you incur in order to bring this property into use. So everything will be cost. Yes, sir. I hope there is no doubts in cost. We have covered in detail in IAS 16. Same principles apply here. Yes, sir. ये standard में आता भी नहीं है. Very rare. Yes. Now coming, let's say, everyone, I purchased a property today for 10,000. I purchased a property. When I purchase a property, can I say out of this land also will be that building also? I say the value of the land is 6,000. Value of the building is 4,000. Now what should I do here now? What should I do for this one full year? Should I sit and do time pass, or what should I do here?
Depreciate the building.
Depreciate the building. Everyone, why do we apply depreciation? Because the value of the asset is slowly coming down, wear and tear of the asset. So I say this building has a useful life of 10 years. So what is my depreciation, everyone here?
400.
400. Now what will be the value of my property here, everyone? What is the value? 10,000 minus 400. Sir, ये कितना आ रहा है? 9,600.
9,600.
This is what, can I say this is my carrying amount, everyone? Yes, sir. Now this is my carrying amount. What will I record in my balance sheet? Assets, sir, of 9,600. Yes, sir. Sir, I recorded this value. One of my friend is saying that today your property has a value of 20,000. I was also shocked. अरे बाप रे, पैसा डबल हो गया एक साल में. I was shocked. He's saying that your property has 20,000 value in the market. I am saying I'm showing my asset at 9,600 only. Market value is 20,000. Can I say what will I do then? Can I say then I have two options? Either I will show this at 9,600 or either I will show this at 20,000. Now, when I show at 20,000, which one will provide me the good presentation? Which one will provide good presentation as per the market or as per fair terms?
20,000, sir.
20,000. So this is known as what? This is again known as what? Cost model or revaluation, or we say fair value model. Yes, sir. So I am taking an example as of now. There are changes, some changes are there, I know. But did you understand what does cost model and fair value means? Fair value means as per the market, what is the value? Yes, sir. So two options are given for a company, or as a company, we have two options. Either follow cost model, carrying amount, cost minus depreciation, or we follow what, sir? Fair value. So fair value. Sir, what is this gain? Gain kitna hai mera? What is this gain here, everyone?
10,400.
10,400. Now, where will you show this gain? A question mark. Everyone, when we learnt IAS 16, where did we show the gain?
OCI.
Everyone, I hope, remembers OCI. From OCI, it was transferred to
OCE and
then to retained earnings.
retained earnings.
Now, where will I record this? This I will record in
P&L.
P&L. This is the first difference when coming to what, sir? Everyone listen. This is the first difference. Whenever we follow fair value model, will I record the difference in P&L or OCI? P&L. The first difference is this. Yes, sir. So the second difference is what? Whenever I follow fair value, I will not calculate depreciation. Whenever I follow fair value, I will not calculate depreciation. Sir, same example continuing. Now see everyone. 10,000 was the value. How much did you say here? 9,600. What was the depreciation? 400. If I say the company is saying fair value, the company will not charge depreciation here. No depreciation. What is the increase in value here? 10,000. Where will I record this 10,000 in? P&L.
OCI.
अरे P&L बाबा, ये इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टी है.
अच्छा, पीपीए में सर हम ओसीआई में रिकॉर्ड करेंगे और इन्वेस्टमेंट में पीएनएल में.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Understood everyone? What are the two differences? The first difference is what? You will not calculate depreciation. Even though the asset is recorded at fair value at the end of first year, at the end of the first year, but still what we will do? Will you charge depreciation for the first year? No. Why? See, I will explain the logic. If I say I charge depreciation, I calculate the fair value. What I am recording in P&L here? You only say me, everyone. 10,400
Gain.
I record a gain of 10,400 and I record an expense of 400. Ultimately, what is the impact, Baba? 10,000 only, no? So can I say here 10,000? Yes. So the standard is saying that when you calculate the fair value, automatically the depreciation is considered in this. The wear and tear is automatically considered. So no need to charge depreciation. So two major differences where you will go wrong. So read the question carefully. Now if you think कि sir we are SBR students, we will never make mistake, बाबा सब करते हैं. I have seen
Sir,
answer scripts also.
सर 400 जो है वो हमने डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज किया था, बट इसमें नहीं करे तो 400 कहाँ जाएगा सर?
400 किधर जाएगा? Can I say वो 400 ऑटोमेटिकली एडजस्ट हो गए 20,000 में?
यस सर.
Yes. So I've explained the logic also. Standard says one simple thing, that no need to calculate depreciation. When you calculate the fair value, why do we calculate depreciation? Sir, I am using the asset. मैं asset use कर रहा हूँ. So value गिर रही है. When you calculate fair value, automatically when you calculate fair value, the person will not pay you more amount. He will consider that, okay, you have used this building for 1 year. Automatically the adjustment is done in fair value. So this is initial recognition and subsequent measurement. Initial cost, yes sir. Subsequent choice is that. Subsequent choice is that. What is the choice 1? Cost model. Choice 2 is what? Revaluation model. Now which one we will use? You only say.
Revaluation.
Obviously I say I will use revaluation because I will overstate my but when we learn IFRS 13, IFRS 13 will pull you back again, saying there are certain rules. We have learned IFRS 13, I hope. SBR students.
Yes, sir.
Understood initial, subsequent? We will do questions, we will do good questions so that it becomes fit here. Now coming to one more topic I want to explain. Now everyone, I say that I have 8 properties. I have 8 investment property. I have 8 investment property. Now, what can I follow? Either I can follow cost model or either I can follow revaluation model. Either cost model, revaluation model. Now, everyone, I say that this property, this property, this property, this property, the value is low. The value is low. In the market, the value is less, Baba. This property value is more. Now, can I do cherry picking here? What do you think, everyone? Can I do cherry picking like this? Whatever I want, I will do.
नहीं सर. No sir.
No,
You
sir.
can't do this, bete. ये नहीं कर सकते. If you do this, then everyone will do this only. No. Try to make the books good, the balance sheet good. The standard is saying what? No. Everyone, do you remember something known as class of asset concept when we covered IAS 16?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, class of asset says what? If you have 10 office buildings, what should you do? For every office building, either you have to follow what? Cost, or either you have to follow revaluation. So class of asset means a group of asset with similar nature and use, which we have done in IAS 16 in detail. So there we follow the concept of class of asset. Sir, office building, factory building, both are different class of asset. Both use and nature is totally different. So different class of asset. But when coming to IAS 40, can you follow the concept of class of asset? What do you think,
No
everyone?
sir.
No,
No
you
sir.
can't follow this. Why you can't follow this? Understand. Why? What is the logic? Sir, the logic is what? Simple. That each and every property is for investment purpose only. Class of asset concept will not apply. Whether you have 10 properties, 100 properties, you have to either follow cost model or revaluation. If you choose cost model, for all the properties, cost model. Revaluation, for all the properties, revaluation model. Yes, sir. This is the third difference when coming to IAS 16 and IAS 40. IAS 16 says use the concept of class of asset. Class of asset means separate the assets which are of similar nature and use, and then you can decide. But IAS 40 is saying that we will not do anything like that. Everything either cost or revaluation model. And difference will go to P&L. Which category? Difference will go to P&L. Which category? Operating, financing, investing. Which one?
Investing.
Investing category. Day 1 we have discussed this when we discussed the format of P&L. So with
अगर
this,
सेम क्लास ऑफ एसेट ना हो जब भी हम एक ही मॉडल फॉलो कर सकते हैं सारी बिल्डिंग्स में.
yes, madam.
Okay.
I hope others, my pace is slow only. I'm not going too fast. Rahul, Asta, Satvik, day 1 today. Then Suchit, Simran, Ishita, Arvind. I hope my pace is good. Thumbs up you can give. I can see on the screen.
Yes, sir, it's good.
Huh? Agar if you feel ki sir you're going fast, sir, explain us again. Ask me that time only. Do not be shy ki sir what others will think. अरे बाप रे बाप exam pass होना है ना. We have to understand the concept and clear our exam. That is important. What will others think? That is not your point. That should come here. Yes, sir. Chalo. Everyone mentioned this. Yes. So if you know this, no, ho gaya standard samajh lo. And one transfer case is there which we have to do. Now what? We will jump into questions. Yes. Before that, everyone, let us see what is written in notes. Measurement. See everyone, measurement. Initial measurement. Initial at what value I will record? Cost, sir. Cost. Subsequent, what will I do? Capital expenditure, revenue expenditure. Capital expenditure I will capitalize. Revenue expenditure, what do I do? Take it to P&L. Sir, capital expenditure means what? Simple. Capital expenditure means whenever you incur a cost on a property, it will give you more benefit in future. Whenever you incur any cost on the property, it is not giving you more benefit. Revenue expenditure. It is maintaining your income. Revenue expenditure. Sir, revenue expenditure where we will take, we will learn this. So basically it will go to investing category only. Yes, sir. Initial, there is no doubt. See now, when coming to subsequent cost model. Cost model is same as what? IAS 16. That is cost less accumulated depreciation, less accumulated impairment. Did we do impairment? Next week we will be doing impairment. Impairment basically means what? Sudden fall in the value of the asset. Why? Due to a lot of conditions which we'll learn, factors, etc. A lot of things are there which we will cover in IAS 36. But as of now, you should know these two things. Cost less the accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation means the basket in which we record the depreciation. So revaluation. Asset is revalued to fair value at the end of each year. At the end of each year. Each year we will do revaluation. Gain or loss is showed directly in P&L, not in OCI. Not in OCI. No depreciation is charged. Depreciation calculation is also not there. Yes, sir. Then see, depreciation is recorded under investing category. Can I say only in which case? Only in cost model. If a company chooses the fair value model at the end of the financial year, if the company says that we will follow fair value method, depreciation will not be charged during that year. Can I say what does this mean? Everyone, I purchase an asset for 10,000. The company is using fair value, that is 20,000. Will I record depreciation for this year? No depreciation. Even though the company will follow fair value year, but still for that year, no depreciation. Yes, sir. Then see this point here. Entity should use either cost model or revaluation model for all investment property. Can you do cherry picking here? No. For each and everything, what should we follow, everyone?
Cost या revaluation.
Yes, sir. Now some other points are written, which you already know we have discussed. Now let us jump to the question. Now take out your pen, paper, calci or on Excel, whatever you do. No issues for me. Do not say me the answer. No one will say me the answer. First of all, I will ask, then only you should say me the answer. Everyone, chalo, start with this question. I will get to know how good reader you are, how good you read the question, and how you solve the question. I hope there is no doubts. First of all, before solving any question, any doubts to anyone? मैं यही समझूंगा बाबा. If you're not saying anything, that means no doubts. मेरे को यही लगता है. Start doing everyone this question. We will do these two questions and take a break. Two minutes done. More 3 minutes. Shrival is not there. Navjot is there. Radhika and some. कौन है students? FR. Asta is there. Karishma, Misbah, she's revising. Nandini Patel नहीं है. Recording Navjot, okay. बात है. और कौन है? Neha, okay. Neha is not. I have to. Priyanshi हो गया. पूजा पूरी पिछले बैच के. Suchit, Vansh, Nishant, Riya. ये remaining 4 students. 2 more minutes. If you want to refer, you can say me, sir, please show. But I think basic depreciation calculation and this is that. So problem नहीं होगा इतना, I think so. Last minute. Your time is done, everyone. Everyone, chalo, what is the answer you got for T house and S place? Say me.
1,75,000.
1,75,000. And this one?
कैलकुलेट कर रहा.
तो 5 मिनट दिया, क्या कर रहा था रे?
अरे सर वो समझ गया मेरे को मैं क्या है.
Sir, 1,20,000 only, sir.
This one, S place?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
1,35,588.
अरे first say me T house, T house.
Yes sir, टी हाउस का ही बता रहे हैं.
1,35,000.
588.
558. Okay, others. चलो, जितना ज्यादा आंसर मिलेगा मेरे को मालूम पड़ेगा कौन सा आंसर राइट है. Which answer is right?
Sir, 1,75,000.
Okay.
So 1,75,000.
अरे जब तो 1,75,000 होगा आंसर, सबका यही है। तो अलग भी हो सकता है, इट कैन बी डिफरेंट ऑल्सो।
सर आप कंफ्यूज कर रहे हो ज्यादा।
आई एम सी, whenever you have learnt anything, होना चाहिए कॉन्फिडेंस, you should have that confidence कि सर yes sir, amount is given, you have to charge depreciation। मेरे को उसके अलावा कुछ लगता नहीं है इधर आंसर। let us do this question now।
Yes, sir.
yes, चलो then। the tea house on 1st October 2000 X9, P has the following property. It uses the fair value model to measure the investment property. Okay, investment property means which standard, everyone?
IAS
IAS
40
40.
IAS
And IAS 40, which model they are using?
fair value
fair
model.
value
Fair
model.
value model.
Yes. Tea house which cost $150,000 on 1st October 2000 X4. Array, we are standing on what date, Baba? We are standing on 1st October 2000 X9. After how many years?
5 years.
Draw the timeline. Timeline is your friend as mentioned. 1st October 2000 X4. So X4, what is this 1st October X9? How many years, everyone? 5 years or 4 years?
Sir,
5
5 years.
years.
5 years, yes. No issues in that. So, can I say they are following what? The property is freehold and is rented to private individuals for 6 monthly period. So, this property is there. This property is given on rent. It is a freehold building. The current fair value of this property is $175,000. Yes, sir. Now, everyone, first of all, this tea house is IAS 40 or IAS 60?
IAS 40.
This is IAS 40, no? This is
Yes.
IAS 40 because it's a freehold building. It is given on rent. Now, when you use fair value, do you charge depreciation?
No sir, depreciation
No,
नहीं चार्ज
sir.
करते,
सिमरन
कहाँ
मैडम
से
आपने क्या
आएगा?
किया? डेप्रिसिएशन किया?
सर पहले मैंने सोचा कि 175,000 होगा, फिर उसने कैरिंग अमाउंट पूछा तो माइंड वो हो गया कि कैरिंग अमाउंट निकालना
नहीं,
है।
क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला? दी करंट फेयर वैल्यू, दे आर आस्किंग
fair
दी,
value.
so 175,000 is the answer.
Yes.
So answer is this one. Then chalo the next one, S place. Everyone say me what is the answer for this one?
98,048.
98,000
48.
48. Anyone else? 120,000 as the answer. कुछ भी बोल सकते हो आप, कोई इशू नहीं है उसमें मेरे।
I thought it was 120,000, but now I understood.
Arvind
not
Singh, now
20.
I understood. Others? Rahul Mehta, Satvik, इशिता, आस्था, सिमरन, क्या आंसर क्या है? अरे एज मेंशन डू मिस्टेक्स इन क्लास चलेगा, ये क्लासरूम है, सब चलता है गलती इधर, बट एग्जाम में गलती नहीं चलेगा। सी नाउ, एस प्लेस विच कॉस्ट हाउ मच बेटे? 75,000 is the cost, sir. Sir, directly they have given cost. No issues in that, sir. Even though it is not given, if some other data is given, we have learned how to calculate cost. This is used by P as its headquarter. Now, everyone, headquarter is what? IAS 16 or IAS 40?
IAS
IAS
16.
16.
The
16.
catch is
16.
here that only. If you have understood this properly, your answer is right. IAS 16. Now, are they following revaluation model for IAS 16, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The building was acquired on 1st October 2000 W9. Alright, this was 1st October 2000 W9. But today, what is date? X9. Can I say this X is what, everyone? 1. This will be what? 29. How many years?
10 years.
Now they have given the fair value is 120,000. If you say me ki sir value 120,000 hai, your answer is wrong. Because they have mentioned that they are only following fair value model for which one? They are only following fair value model for which one?
Investment property.
So depreciation is 2%. Abhi depreciation into, this is only mentioned 2% per annum. Is this SLM or WDV, everyone?
Uh-huh.
SLM.
SLM.
On cost.
SLA में
SBR students also I'm saying do not do this mistake. अभी इतना आएगा ही
सर
नहीं easy.
सर SLM कैसे सर? पर
पर
एनम
एनम लिखा हुआ बेटे, मैंने क्या बोला क्लास में, मैंने हिंट भी दिया था. इफ 2% पर ईयर लिखा हुआ तो क्या होगा वो SLM. इफ ओनली 2% देन क्या होगा वो
WDV. ओके सर, ओके सर.
So now 2%, how much is it everyone? 75,000 into 2% into 10. So my depreciation is coming to 15,000. Correct है ना?
Yes, sir.
yes sir
So अभी minus
Yes,
करो,
sir.
15 minus 75 कितना आ रहा है?
Sir,
60,000.
60,000.
Now then everyone did, no one mentioned the answer as 60,000. क्या हुआ था, क्या मिस्टेक था?
Sir,
हाँ सर,
confusion.
ये तो पता चल गया था कि PP है, बट डेप्रिसिएशन में थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन था. WDV SLM वाला बस मेरा.
बेटे क्लास में बोला है, ध्यान रखना. Yes sir. Anyone any doubts in this question?
I didn't read the headquarters part.
वही होगा एग्जाम में अरविंद सर. So this
ऊपर में
mistake you
it
have
was
done in, yes.
ऊपर में it was mentioned as investment property only fair value वो नहीं पड़ा था.
हाँ, so that is the reason I say question you have to read slowly. चलो then do the next question, then we'll take a break. फटाफट. Be quick now. Then after that only transfer case is there, then done. एक ही topic pending है. And we have what some or the other theory which we have to do. We will do that. First let us do the question. Now everyone do this question. iPad is also saying that I need a recharge. Same your condition also now. Sir फटाफट से break दे दो sir. Last question then break. This is the, this you will not make mistake. You have learned the mistake you will be making in transfer case. We'll take break, we'll come and start. One more minute you have.
सर डन.
Done everyone?
डन सर.
Now see. C Limited, a manufacturing entity, acquired a property on 1st January 2000 X1. So starting date is this one. For 1 million for its investment potential. The property is not owner occupied. If the property is not owner occupied, then what it will be?
Lesser.
IAS 40 owner occupied means what? Not IAS 16. Purchase price they have given 400,000 for land. Will you depreciate land, Baba? Nice, sir. 60,000, 600,000 for building which has a useful life of 10 years or 50 years. By 31st December 2000 X1, local market indicates what? What is the fair value? 1.1 million. C accounts for the investment property under IAS 40 and present its financial statement in accordance with IFRS 18. IFRS 18 means what? Investing category. Simple. So we have to show the presentation of both of them. So what will be the, here sir, cost is how much? 100,000. 400,000 is for land, and this is this one. What is the depreciation, everyone?
12,000.
12,000.
50 years.
12,000 pakka. What is the carrying amount then?
9 lakh 88.
9 lakh?
88,000.
88,000.
Correct answer.
Yes,
सर
sir.
आपने 9
No issue.
करोड़
Now what will you record in
9
P&L?
lakh 88,000 है सर, एक जीरो कम कर
9,888.
हाँ sorry मैंने ये लिखा है. अभी correct है.
यस सर
Now in P&L what you will record? Depreciation of
12,000.
which category you will record this in?
Investing.
Investing.
I hope everyone understands what is investing category. In balance sheet, what is the value of my IP?
9,88,000.
Yes, sir. Then next one, revaluation model. Sir, cost is what? 100,000. Arey yeah, shit. Give me 1 minute, everyone. Now, everyone, say me what is the answer here. This will you compare with fair value of 1.1 million? Will you do this?
No sir.
No, sir.
Depreciation मिलेगा ही नहीं.
No.
No.
Yes, sir. Many students I've seen. That is the reason if you see the question is also in a such a way that you get confused. So instead, what is the answer?
11 lakhs.
1
What is
lakh.
the increase?
1 lakh.
0.1 million.
That is where will you show this? P&L.
P&L.
So what will you
P&L.
show in P&L? Fair value gain of 1 million. And in balance sheet, what is the value of the investment property? IP.
1.1 million.
Clear? So with this, your part is done. Now, I hope there is no doubts to anyone in cost and revaluation. Yeah, your theory is there which we have to read it, but we have already covered major part of this. Once, let's take break, come back and do this transfer case. We'll complete this, then the remaining theory we will read. Yes, sir. So now the time is 7:40. Everyone be back by 7:55. 15 minutes break. Chalo, everyone come back. Back. Chalo, everyone, come back. Yes or no or thumbs up. समझ में आ जाएगा मुझे whether you're back or not. Audible, no? Yes, everyone say me back or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Chalo then. Chalo. Can I say till now? What did we cover? Sir, definition, initial measurement, subsequent measurement. Any doubts? No. So see here now a theory point. The first theory point. Entity shall use either cost model or revaluation model for investment property. Yes or no? If there are 10 investment property, you have to follow either cost or revaluation model. Class of asset concept will not apply. Yes, sir. Now this point, what does changing model means? Let us discuss this. Everyone saying, I have this investment property. Today I am following cost model. Can I shift to revaluation model after 2 years? Yes, sir. Today I say I am following cost model. I am following cost model for year 1, year 2. I am saying after 2 years, I recorded this asset. I say I am following here cost model. Here also cost model. I say from this year, I will follow revaluation model. Can we do this? Yes, sir. We can do this. Can I say if I shift from cost model to revaluation model, can I say it will provide better presentation to shareholders? Yes. The shareholders, the stakeholders will get to know what is the market value. It will provide a better presentation. Better presentation. Yes, sir. Sir, you mentioned, sir, ki we can travel from, or we can say we can shift from cost model to revaluation. Now a question to everyone. Can we shift from revaluation model to cost model? What do you think?
नहीं सर.
No, sir, not possible.
Not possible. अरे बाप रे. Others?
सर प्रेजेंटेशन आप रिवैल्यूएशन मॉडल में कर रहे तो वो अच्छा प्रेजेंट हो रहा है, फेयर वैल्यू के बेसिस पे हो रहा है. बट अगर आप कॉस्ट मॉडल पे फिर से शिफ्ट करेंगे तो पूरा पीछे से इफेक्ट लेना पड़ेगा.
Okay. A question to everyone. Let's say I'm walking. Yes. I can come back. I can go back also. When I go back, if I go this way, is it easy for me?
No, sir.
Nahin, na. Is it easy? Nahin. The standard is also saying same thing. The standard is saying that when you go from cost to revaluation, it is easy for you. Why? You go straight, you can see everything. When I go this way, can I see anything what is back? Huh? No, no. So can I say when I'm going forward, I'm going from cost model to revaluation? I'm going from cost to revaluation model. It is easy. It is saying that it is easy. It is better. Whenever I walk on a street, if I walk straight, everyone think, okay, he's a good person. Mental peace corrected. If I walk this way, what will everyone think? Mental hospital में भर्ती करो, यही बोलेंगे ना लोग?
Yes, sir.
Everyone will start laughing at me. Yes or no? You only say, Baba. I will not say. Everyone are walking this way straight. ऐसे देख के मैं ऐसे चल रहा उल्टा. So what they will say me? They will start laughing. Whatever they want, they will think. Now same thing. The standard is saying what? Standard is saying one simple point. That is what? See, when you are traveling from cost to revaluation, when you are changing this cost to revaluation model, it is good. It is providing better presentation. It is providing better presentation. It is providing better presentation. Yes, sir. If I'm walking straight, it's okay. It is normal. When I walk backwards or when I shift from revaluation to cost model, will it provide fair presentation? Will it look good? The ultimate goal is what? To show the balance sheet and P&L in a true value, which reflects the current market condition. If you are using revaluation model, it will reflect what? It will reflect what? It will reflect true value. If you come back to cost model, Baba, can I say, will it reflect true value of the asset?
No, sir.
No. So same way. When will I walk this way? When will I walk this way back? When some doctor has suggested me do this, etc. It is good for your health. Or you have some problem, you have to walk this way, then only you can cure it. Then only I will do, no? If simply I will do, everyone will start calling me a fool. So same way here, the standard is saying one simple thing. It is that, yes, you can travel back. You can travel back when it provides better presentation, when it is useful to you. For me, it is useful. I have to travel back because doctor has mentioned. उल्टा चलना पड़ेगा आपको. So here also, if as a company, as an accountant, as a ACC affiliate member, if you're working and if you're preparing the accounts, if you think that we will shift from revaluation to cost model, it will provide better information, better presentation, then only shift. But do you think when we shift from revaluation to cost model, will it provide better presentation? So the standard is saying 99.99% it will not provide better presentation. If the management is arguing, they know better, then you can do it. No issue. वही बोल रहा देखो इधर. Changing model. Entity should not change from one model to other model unless change will result in more appropriate presentation, better presentation. Like if you see in India, no, in India we do not follow fair value concept. Nahi Rohit? In
नहीं
India,
करते सर, नहीं करते.
we never follow because government also knows. दिमाग बहुत ज्यादा चलता है हम लोगों का. Property value will be 1 lakh rupees, will show 1 CR. That is the
तो
reason.
सर लोन मिलने के लिए भी इजी हो जाएंगे.
हाँ.
ओवर स्टेटेड प्रॉफिट्स दिखाए तो.
हाँ. Yes, sir. IAS 40 states that it is highly unlikely that a change from fair value, it is saying highly unlikely. It is saying that highly unlikely that a change from fair value method to cost model will result in a appropriate presentation. They are saying what? It is highly unlikely. It is not possible only that it will provide better presentation. Yes, sir. Is note 1 and note 2 clear to everyone? This will have a link with IAS 8 when you come there.
Yes, sir.
Chalo now. Now, starting with the next topic, the last case of this chapter. That is transfer case. Now listen everyone, what does transfer means? Understand. I say today I have this. This is my office building. This is my office building. 2 floors. Kitne floor isme? 2 floors. Now, as of now, the team is of 10 members. So no issue, sir. Theek thaak hai. Office is enough. I say after 3 years, we are now a big company. So we are planning to shift to a new office building. New office building, 5 floors. New office building, we are shifting to this. Now, let's say you're doing business, Baba. This property also belongs to you. You have shifted to the new property. Then what will you do with the old property?
सर सेल आउट कर देंगे.
Either you will sell off
or use in the business.
or use in the business.
Or rent it out.
Or rent it out, yes or no? I say ki it belongs to your grandparents, you will not sell it. Papa ka hai, dada ka hai, you will not sell it. We need it. Then you are not using in business only. Then what will you do? Last option.
Invest as a rent.
Rent, no, Baba. Simple. Whenever we are doing business, basic. If I have a property, I will give on rent. Why will I keep this building? I will keep this building for rent purpose now. Can I say this becomes now what? IAS 40. Sir, first a property was used for what purpose? For business purpose. Now we are using this for what purpose, everyone?
Rented.
Rent. So can I say you are shifting from what to what, beta? You are shifting from IAS 16 to IAS 14? Yes, sir. Can I say vice versa can happen? Ulta ho sakta hai. I had a property today. I have given this on rent. I am starting a new business. I say this property I have given on rent, IAS 40. I have given this on rent. Now I say that I am starting a new business. I am starting a new business. I will use this in my business now. Can I say in this case what I am doing? I'm shifting from IAS 40 to
IAS
IAS
16.
16. Yes, sir. यही है. This is easy, Baba sir. ये तो हमको मालूम है सर. आप क्या बता रहे हो? Sir, this तो we know, sir. What are you teaching? Abhi now see. What will happen? I say we are traveling from. Okay. I hope everyone are making notes. Directly notes में बनाते हैं. Now we'll be learning the cases. So see here, everyone. Write down the heading as mentioned. Just write down the heading, the questions which you are solving. Write down the number and solve it. The books, the notes I've already given to you. Take out the printout. Yes, sir. Transfer to or from investment property should be made where there is a change in use. Can I say when there is a change in use? Yes, sir. When there is a change in use, we will shift it. Occurs when the property meets or ceases to meet the definition of investment property and there is evidence of change in use. Can I say there should be some evidence? No. Ki now we are not using for business, now we are renting it out. What is the evidence? What will be the evidence, everyone?
Sir, for the use जो हम use कर रहे हैं, change in use.
What will be the evidence? Can I say every month I am getting rent? That is the evidence.
Yes, sir.
So now see, now I will explain 3 rules, everyone. Let's see. What is the rule number 1? Treat as per old standard. Then transfer it. Then treat it as per new standard. So this also we know, sir. Basic common sense है. First we will use old standard. We transfer. We follow new standard. Okay then. Understood these 3 points, everyone? Or any doubts to anyone in these 3 points? No doubts. Chalo. Now write down, everyone. If you are writing down, agar nahi likh rahe ho, you are saying ki, sir, we will use the notes. No issues in that form. First, let me draw a diagram here so that it will help you. Today, this is my office building. So office building, I will use what, sir? IAS 16. Shifting to new office. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? This will become IAS 16. Will give on rent. So then what are we saying? IAS 40. IAS 40. So we are transferring from year to year. Yes, sir. और उल्टा भी हो सकता है. इसका ही बना देता हूं. Then I will make. I say rent IAS 40. Rent IAS 40. Now, but from today, will use it for business. Will use it for business. Simple. So can I say we are shifting from what to what? IAS 40 to IAS 16. Both can happen. Yes, sir. Here, in this case, IAS 16 to IAS 40. Now, everyone, listen here. Now, let us start with this. First, what we will write down? First, what is the point we will write down? The first one is from PP to IP. What is the case one? PP to IP. Yes, sir. Now, see here, everyone. Listen, I have a PP. I am following cost model. I shifted this to IP. Investment properties also following cost model. Yes, sir. I said today the cost of the asset is 10,000. This is this. 1,000 is the depreciation. Carrying amount is how much, everyone? 9,000, I say. Now, Now this 9,000, what will you do now? I say we are shifting from PP to IP. This 9,000, what will I do? Can I say I will transfer this to what? IP. So what will I record here, everyone? Debit, credit. Debit, IP, credit,
PP.
PP. How much is that? 9,000, 9,000. Now this 9,000, what will I do? Can I say I will depreciate further?
Yes, sir.
Why will I depreciate? Investment property is also cost model. Yes, sir, we understood this point. No issues in this. Case number 2. See, there are some cases problem will not be there. Only one case you will have problem, and that only will come in your exam. Investment property. I say revaluation model. I say revaluation model. Yes, sir. I say the asset cost is 10,000. Here my this is the value. Depreciation. Carrying amount kitna hai, sir? 9,000.
9,000.
I say the fair value today is 12,000, everyone. What is the gain now? Can I say I will revalue this asset?
Yes, sir.
Why will I revalue? Because company is following revaluation model, sir. So what is the revaluation gain?
3,000.
3,000.
OCI.
What is my carrying amount? 12,000.
12,000.
अभी एंट्री बताओ इसका क्या होगा? डेबिट क्रेडिट. डेबिट asset value increasing, credit what?
OCI.
OCI by 3,000. 3,000. Can I say now this 12,000 I will transfer to what, everyone?
Investment property.
Investment property.
So what will be the entry? Debit, credit. Debit, IP,
Credit, PP.
इसमें भी
12,000.
किसी को इशू नहीं है. Yes, sir. Now will you depreciate this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No depreciation because fair value. हाँ, ये भी easy है, sir. ये भी आता है हमको. अरे I know बाबा, you know this also. Oh, okay. Space कम है ना. The next one. Case number 3. What could be the case number 3, everyone?
Cost model to revaluation model.
I say revaluation, I say cost model. Can this happen? Yes, sir. So same example, 10,000 divided by 10,000. Carrying amount is how much, everyone? 9,000. Fair value is what, sir? 12,000. So revaluation gain is
3,000.
3,000. Entry, debit, credit.
Asset account.
Asset OCI.
Yes, sir. What is the carrying amount here? 12,000. Now this 12,000, what will I do?
Transfer to investment property.
Transfer to investment property. What is the entry? Debit, credit. IP.
Debit investment property, credit PPE.
Will I depreciate this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Others? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Yes, because cost model. These 3 cases are easy. When we do the reverse also, these 3 cases are easy. The issue will come in the 4th case now. See, everyone. Listen now. Do not write. Do not write. Time दूंगा लिखने के लिए. First understand. These 3 cases you can write it by yourself also. Listen, everyone. Now, I say PP is at cost model. IP will be at which model now?
Revaluation model.
Revaluation model. Or the market value, whatever you say. Yes, sir. Now, listen. I say cost kitna hai? 10,000 divided by 10,000. What are the carrying amounts, sir? 9,000, sir. Yes, sir. Now, listen.
Sir, वो depreciation है ना कि
this is depreciation.
आपने cost लिखा था.
Cost. I've written cost because you understand with cost only we depreciate, no?
Okay, sir.
समझ लो वो. Yes, sir. Now see, everyone, this 9,000 which is there. This 9,000 which is there. Can I say this 9,000 should be transferred to whom?
Investment property.
Investment property. Now, investment property is saying what? No. PP is saying what? I have 9,000. When PP is giving this 9,000 to IP, will IP take?
No sir,
No, sir.
fair value
No.
model calc ये हो रहा है, follow हो रहा है investment property.
Others,
10,000.
Ishita, Asta, Rahul, Satvik, Manan, understand. If 9,000 is the value, will investment property take it?
No, sir, it will not.
No, sir.
Simple
No,
example,
sir.
Baba. Today you want to go to Goa. You need 10,000 rupees. Your parents are giving you 9,000 rupees. What will you do? You'll blackmail, no? Appa, 10,000 beke beku. Or in your language, sir, 10,000 I need only. Daddy, 10,000 चाहिए चाहिए. You will not eat food. कि मैं ये नहीं करूंगा, वो नहीं करूंगा. Like a small child. Will they give you or not?
Yes, sir.
Parents, Baba, whatever you ask, they give here and there. Whatever problem they have, they will never say us. But whatever we need, they will give us. Just a simple, same case here. IP saying what? I am ready to take, Baba. I am ready to take your asset. No issues for me. But please give me at fair value. Please give me at fair value. Then what will PP do now? You are saying to your parent that I need 10,000 rupees. They have given 9,000 to you. They have given 9,000 to you. So what they will do? From the pocket, what they will give you? 1,000 rupees extra?
Extra 1,000.
That 1,000 rupees extra, किसको problem है वो? Is it a problem to you or a problem to your dad? किसके pocket से जा रहा है?
Problem to our parents.
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 Same way here also, better follow that concept. See now, I say the fair value is what, sir? 12,000. What is the revaluation gain, everyone? So entry क्या बनेगा इधर?
Asset debit to OCI. 3,000.
This is the mistake students will do. You see your past papers, यही question है. Either your SBR student, 2 questions are there. If you're FR student, you see your question bank, you see past paper, you see the pre-mock. If you see the December pre-mock also, question was there. Same, यही वाला. Yes, September, December, both the exam, this question was tested. So now, can I say, what will I do? When I transfer 12,000. Debit, credit. What will I transfer? Debit. IP, credit what? PPE, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000. Now what will I do for this? Will I depreciate, everyone? No, we will not depreciate this. Understand, everyone? Sir, we will not depreciate. Sir, what we will do then? Everyone say me, what will you do with this then?
Sir, fair value model, fair valuation करेंगे.
Can I say you will do fair value? Will you take that fair value to OCI or PNL?
P&L.
Try to learn with me only. Will you take the balance to OCI or PNL?
PNL.
So what are we
PNL.
following? Can I say step number 1? Do the treatment as per old standard. Do the necessary adjustment as per old standard. So हमने यही तो किया है. Then transfer it. Then transfer it. Then follow what? New standard. Then follow what? New standard. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Then. Now you have to say me
Yes,
the
sir.
answer. Now what will I do? No, I will do the same for what?
In IAS 16.
Okay. Did anyone write down this? किसी ने लिखा है? कि did you listen to me first of all? चलो बताओ मुझे.
सर फर्स्ट टू 3 पॉइंट्स लिखे हैं, लास्ट वाला नहीं लिखा है.
लास्ट वाला नहीं लिखा. Others
Sir,
जो नोट्स
समझ
बना
गए.
रहे हैं. If you are की सर नोट्स दे दोगे आप, दे दूंगा. मेरे को क्या है? मैं रख के क्या करूंगा? मेरा तो एग्जाम हो गया है ना. चलो, let us first understand all the cases. Now what will I write down here? ये क्या था? मैंने PP to IP लिखा ना. अभी क्या है ये? What do you think?
40 to 16.
IP to, I hope you are enjoying, first of all. बाकी तो दूसरा लिखो मत लिखो वो अलग है. Are you enjoying this standard or not? First of all, say me that.
Yes, sir.
गिव मी 1 minute, इसको बोल्ड कर देता हूँ so that it will be easy for you. टक 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 टक, थोड़ा बहुत डेकोरेशन करेंगे ना तो अच्छा लगेगा नोट्स. अभी ये एक छोटा पॉइंट है, ये भी करना है. वी ऑल्सो नाउ सी, नाउ आई विल बी लिटिल बिट क्विक. ओके, यस सर, कोई इशू नहीं. सी नाउ द केस नंबर 1 here, IP to PP. Can I say here what will be cost model? Sir, cost model, sir. Can I say 10,000 is my cost? If I've written cost here 10,000 and divided, understand that amount which I'm calculating is your depreciation. This is my depreciation. What is my carrying amount, everyone? 9,000. A question to everyone. Where will I record this depreciation? Which category?
उस P&L
Investing category.
इन्वेस्टिंग कैटेगरी सर का.
I hope Rahul, Suchit, Satvik out of the box तो नहीं लग रहा बेटे.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. नहीं
सुचित
सर.
सर नहीं लग रहा है ना.
नहीं सर.
हाँ, as you feel कि सर थोड़ा बहुत ये हो रहा है, same ही, because मेरा aim क्या है that you learn in the class only. Yes sir. Now चलो, this can I say what will I do with this? इसको ट्रांसफर कर दूं, डेबिट क्रेडिट, what will I do? PP
PP credit IP.
Can I say this I will
9,000.
depreciate now?
Yes, sir.
Where will the depreciation go?
Operating category.
Operating. Chalo then. With next one, I can copy but I'm writing down so that you take time and think. Revaluation model. Cost is 10,000. What will I do with this 12,000?
OCI, एसेट टू OCI. उसके बाद वो जाएगा रिवैल्यूएशन मॉडल में, फेयर वैल्यू पे ही जाएगा इस पे. बराबर ना
एसेट
सर?
टू OCI क्यों करेंगे इसमें? तो
Sir,
OCI में
नहीं
we
जाएगा
will
तो
सर,
not do
P&L में जाता
depreciation
है.
only, sir.
We do not do this.
अरे बाप रे बाप, that means everyone are active. Huh?
यस सर.
Everyone
हाँ,
are saying that
P&L.
सर
Hey,
इधर PNL में जाए.
P&L में.
depreciation charge होगा क्या? Will
नहीं
depreciation be
नहीं
charged
नहीं.
here?
नहीं
नहीं
No,
सर,
it will
नो
not
सर.
charge.
Then everyone is saying sir transfer it. How? नहीं ना, मैंने
नहीं
गलत
नहीं
किया है
सर.
ना.
हाँ सर, गलत किया सर
हाँ,
आपने.
तूने क्या बोला? OCI कर लो, OCI.
अरे सर, OCI मैंने देखा ही नहीं, दूसरा केस चालू किया
तू
आपने.
किधर ही है, क्लास में नहीं है इसलिए.
अरे सर, क्लास में ही हूँ सर, ऐसा मत बोलो यार.
नाउ सेम एवरीवन, वेयर विल आई रिकॉर्ड दिस 2000 का छोटा सा गेन?
सर दिस
P&L.
गेन विल
P&L.
गो टू PNL.
PNL which category everyone?
इन्वेस्टिंग.
सर
Investing.
इन्वेस्टिंग कैटेगरी.
Investing categories.
Journal entry, debit credit, what sir?
एसेट टू
IP
P&L.
increasing, PNL 2000. फायदा ही फायदा है बस, no नुकसान. That is the reason we say purchase property rather than purchasing something else.
Yes.
हाँ नहीं रे,
क्या सर?
कुछ भी नहीं. चलो सेम ही ना. व्हाट इज द ट्रांसफर एंट्री? अरे बाप, दिस आई ट्रांसफर. नो, डेबिट क्रेडिट, व्हाट डू आई डू एवरीवन? सर PP IP 12,000
12,000,
12,000.
12,000, sir.
Will I
12,000.
depreciate this now? Will I
Yes,
depreciate?
sir.
No.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
IAS 16 says what?
Yes, we have
Revaluation or
to.
cost model depreciate.
Yes sir.
So depreciated. अभी मेरा हैंड राइटिंग थोड़ा ये सैन लगा. इफ इट्स बैड गुड, जो भी है अच्छा ही है बस अभी के लिए. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट केस एवरीवन? IP to PP. Cost model,
Cost model,
revaluation.
revaluation model.
So I say my cost is 10,000, 10 years, 1,000. What is my carrying amount? 9,000. Hey, no, 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 no. First, I have to do the other case. Then I will come to that. Everyone, my cost is 10,000. Will I depreciate this?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Fair value is
Value
everyone.
12,000.
2,000 gain in
P&L.
Investing category
P&L.
P&L.
IC, IP दोनों बाय बाय है, समझ लो वैसे. Now what I say, carrying amount is how much, everyone? So 12,000.
12,000 only.
This 12,000, what will I do?
Transfer to
Transfer to
PP.
PP.
See, we do not care what is PP doing. We are thinking about ourselves. मेरे को गोवा जाना है, मतलब जाना ही है. Think in that way. Yes, sir. So PP, IP. What is this? 12,000, 12,000.
12,000, 12,000.
Can I say I will depreciate this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Will
sir.
anything go to OCI in this case?
Yes, sir. PP वाला.
Will anything go to OCI in this case?
No, sir.
No,
Cost
sir.
model
कहाँ
only,
से
sir.
जाएगा,
कॉस्ट
sir?
मॉडल.
कहाँ से जाएंगे, sir?
After
Cost
this,
model.
after 1 year also, nothing will go. If the company is not following revaluation, if the company is saying we will follow revaluation model. Now see, everyone, a question to everyone. After 1 year, the company is saying we will follow revaluation. Will you charge depreciation here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We will charge.
Depreciation तो होगा ना चार्ज, सर. PP है ना.
Then last case.
PP.
If you say me the right answer, I will understand that you have understood this concept.
सर आप पार्टी थ्रो किया करो, राइट आंसर आया तो.
हाँ,
आप 50-50 रुपए ट्रांसफर किया करो.
किसको?
राइट आंसर जिसने दिया उसको.
अरे बाप रे बाप, मैं कंगाल हो जाऊंगा रे, ऐसे
नहीं
कर
नहीं
लिया
सर,
तो.
आप नहीं होंगे और पैसे कमाएंगे.
Everyone, will you depreciate this?
नो सर.
Cost model.
अभी करेंगे depreciation.
Yes, sir.
अभी
Yes, sir.
करेंगे, अभी करेंगे.
Cost is, I said, 10,000. Useful life is 10 years. Depreciation is how much?
9,000.
9,000.
Oh, sorry, 1,000.
1,000.
1,000. Carrying amount 9,000, sir.
Now, everyone. This 9,000, if IP is giving to PP, will PP take?
नहीं सर, फेयर वैल्यू पे लेना
PP is
पड़ेगा.
saying one simple thing. You do revaluation, I will take. You do revaluation, we will take. So when I do revaluation, now everyone, when I do revaluation here, what will be the fair value then?
सर आपने
12,000.
दी नहीं ना.
12,000.
Then a
OCI
question
में
comes
जाएगा.
in
नहीं नहीं,
mind.
P&L में जाएगा ये. 3,000.
A question comes in mind. Will I charge depreciation here then?
नो. करेंगे सर चार्ज. PP में जा
सर
रहा है
करेंगे
आगे.
सर. IP. हाँ सर करेंगे.
IP में
नो
charge.
सर, नहीं करेंगे.
सर PP में जाएगा तो करेंगे ना.
Cost
IP में
model
रहेगा
है ना,
Take the
तो.
asset to PP first of all. I am saying one simple thing. Cost model. IP is following cost model. So cost model we record depreciation.
Yes, sir. We
हाँ
will
तो वो
depreciate.
तो होगा ही ना depreciate.
Now I am
Yes, sir.
calculating revalue. I am calculating the fair value. Can I say still I will charge depreciation here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Understand. Take time. Digest what I am saying.
No,
Sir,
sir. No, sir. No, sir.
investment properties in cost model. We have calculated the carrying amount. I have
सर तो
already
आपने ऑलरेडी
calculated
चार्ज
the
कर दिया ना.
depreciation.
डेप्रिसिएशन ऑलरेडी चार्ज कर दिया.
Wait. Let me see first. Let me complete. I am calculating depreciation. Sir, we will charge this depreciation into P&L. Yes, sir. Investing category. I calculate the carrying amount. Now I am revaluing this asset. Why I am revaluing this asset? Can I say I am revaluing this asset to transfer to what?
PP.
So transfer to PP.
So what is the gain here now?
3,000.
3,000.
3,000.
Where will I record this gain?
P&L.
P&L
Investing
investing.
category.
Investing category.
Then what will I do with this?
इधर जाके आप डेप्रिशिएट करेंगे.
We will depreciate.
अरे बाबा, in both the case we are depreciating.
हाँ सर, बोथ केसेस में करेंगे. हम स्पेसिफिक बोलना रहेगा तो उधर भी करेंगे ऐसा।
So
सर
this I
इस
will
केस में हाँ करा है डेप्रिसिएशन।
understood everyone.
यस सर।
This was your transfer case. This was what,
अगर
sir?
सर
See, I say this is very rare. क्या आता है? यही आता है, ये जो है ना, ये देखो ये वाला.
The eighth case was understandable only.
Others, did you enjoy while learning this topic? कि बोर लग रहा था?
सर enjoyable।
If you enjoy when you're studying, तो दिमाग में रहेगा. If you just have the mindset of studying सब pressure. Yes, sir. Understood? All the cases are done. हो गए standard. Other than this, nothing is there in the standard.
एक कॉन्सेप्ट अपने का देंगे, ये जो थर्ड पॉइंट पे जो मेरा आरएम पे रियलाइजेशन मेथड पे कन्वर्ट हो रहा है ट्रांसफर, उसमें तो डेप्रिसिएशन नहीं आएगी ना?
हाँ, नहीं आ रहा बेटे, इधर किधर डेप्रिसिएशन आ रहा है?
नहीं, इसमें अगर कॉस्ट मेथड पे ट्रांसफर हो रहा है पीपी में, तो देन डेप्रिसिएशन है करो ऊपर में थर्ड केस।
ये ट्रांसफर कौन से में हो रहा है? आईपी से पीपी या पीपी से आईपी? पहले ये क्लियर करो।
आईपी से पीपी।
ये वाला, यही फोर्थ वाला ही डाउट है.
हाँ हाँ।
अभी इधर कैन आई से द कंपनी इज फॉलोइंग कॉस्ट मॉडल, बट टू ट्रांसफर व्हाट शुड आई डू? आई शुड कैलकुलेट द फेयर वैल्यू, यस और नो?
हाँ।
तो मैं क्या करूं? दैट डिफरेंस व्हाट आई एम टेकिंग टू, स्टिल आई विल चार्ज डेप्रिसिएशन. मैं चार्ज करूंगा डेप्रिसिएशन बेटे इधर.
ओके।
यस और नो?
हाँ
I calculate the carrying amount. I calculate the carrying amount normally following cost model. After that, I get to know what should I do. मेरे को ट्रांसफर करना. I have to transfer. When I'm transferring, investment property is saying what? Investment property is saying I'm at cost, but PP is saying I'm at revaluation model. So investment property is saying I'm following cost model, no issue. But still, I will calculate the fair value and give you, and the difference will go to what?
P&L.
P&L. समझ में आया?
ओके ओके।
Okay, yes. Any doubts to anyone?
नो सर।
No? Okay. Chalo then, let us play with something known as English. That is your terms. Disposed, transfer. These two words which I have given. दोनों का मीनिंग एक ही है कि अलग है?
ट्रांसफर मतलब क्लासिफिकेशन चेंज कर रहे हो, डिस्पोज मतलब सेल कर रहे हो।
Can I say disposal basically means sell, transfer means shifting?
Yes, sir.
क्लासिफिकेशन।
See, this all now the point which I'm teaching you, लिखा नहीं है किधर भी, बड़े कॉमन सेंस है. You should know that. I say everyone, everyone remembers IAS 16 revaluation model?
Yes,
We
sir.
take revaluation surplus to OCI.
यस सर।
When will you take this to retain earnings?
When it is disposed of.
Now see everyone, listen me. Keep everything aside, listen me. Sir, I have a PP today. I am using revaluation model. Can I say I have revaluation surplus?
Yes sir.
Yes. Now this revaluation surplus which I have, I will record in balance sheet. It is that I dispose of the asset. I am selling the asset. When I sell the asset, everyone, can I say this is still in revaluation surplus here?
Retained earnings में ट्रांसफर करेंगे।
This is still now whenever I dispose of the asset, what will I do? Whatever is the retained earnings, I will transfer to whatever is in revaluation surplus, I will transfer to
Retained
retained
earnings.
Now everyone, if I say today my PP is under revaluation model and IP is under cost model, or you say fair value, no issues. Can I say this PP will have something known as OCI or revaluation surplus? A
Yes
balance
sir.
will be there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
I hope others, Suchit, Rahul, सब Rahul नहीं है. Okay, Manan, Simran, Satvik, it is clear. Ishita.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this revaluation surplus, when I transfer this PP to IP, will I transfer this revaluation surplus to retain earnings?
Yes
नहीं
sir.
सर, क्लासिफिकेशन चेंज कर रहे हैं।
If listen, if I am transferring this PP to IP, this revaluation surplus which is there, it is in revaluation surplus. Will I transfer this to retained earnings if I am transferring IP? If I am
No, sir.
transferring the asset?
No, sir.
नो सर बिकॉज सेल तो नहीं हो रहा.
चेंज इन यूज है बस.
Can I say this revaluation surplus, when will you take it to retain earnings? When this IP is sold?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
ओनली
Understood.
एसेट
Now
वैल्यू
understood.
ट्रांसफर होगा.
कभी आया नहीं है एग्जाम में, but this, listen everyone, once again. Sir, I have a PPE, sir. PP, I am following revaluation model. So revaluation model, I have a OCI balance or revaluation surplus balance. So this PP I am transferring to IP. When I transfer this to IP, will I transfer this revaluation surplus to retain earnings?
No, sir.
I am not selling the asset. Sir, when do we transfer it? When I sell this IP. When
Yes,
I
sir.
sell this IP, I will transfer it. So with this, all the cases are done. Any doubts to anyone in these cases?
No, sir.
No,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Clear. Abhi see now one small point everyone. Regarding inventory. If I have an inventory today, this inventory I am transferring to IP. This inventory I am transferring to IP. Normally inventory we recorded what everyone? Cost or?
Cost or NRV, whichever is used.
NRV, whichever.
I hope everyone knows this. If you have zero idea about this, no issues. We will do IAS too. No worries in that. I say basically cost. Cost means what? The value. There is no revaluation in inventory. Understand? But I say IP is following fair value. Now when inventory is following cost model, IP is following fair value model. But what will I do?
Sir, fair value करेंगे.
I say fair value is 120. Can I say I will transfer this fair value to IP?
Yes, sir. 20 P&L में.
Sir, do inventory have fair value?
Inventory does not have fair value. Inventory has NRV.
NRV. That's
NRV is
what
not fair value. We have discussed this in IFRS 13. First class, Arvind.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes?
That's why I'm asking.
Yes. Can I say I should calculate fair value? Your fair value and NRV are not same bitten.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's different. I know.
In some cases it can be same. In some cases in practical world it can be same.
Okay.
Yes. Now the fair value and this is that. Let us this 20 in P&L. Which category?
Operating.
Operating category.
Old standard. What is the old standard?
Inventory.
IAS2.
IAS2.
Inventory is for what? Business purpose, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Recorded that. Yes. वही लिखा है line देखो. Inventory to investment property. Property is remeasured to fair value on transfer, and any difference between carrying amount and fair value is recognized immediately in P&L under operating category. Now, chalo, let me give you questions. If you want to write down these examples, you can write down or simple. Uske pehle write down the rules. Let me 1 minute. Give me. Let me give you questions now. Do not say me the answer. Just solve it. Even though if you are not mentioning these questions, these examples, mention the rule. Rule is what? First rule. Treat as per
old standard.
Then next one.
Transfer the asset.
Transfer the asset. Treat as per
New standard.
new standard. Yes. Chalo, now the first question. ये MCQs है FR students in your question bank. But do this one, everyone. Question number 1. First case. What is the first case, everyone?
सर फेयर वैल्यू मॉडल से फेयर वैल्यू टू कॉस्ट मॉडल जा रहा.
On 1st October 2000 X4, A owned an investment property with a carrying amount of 5.85 million. On 31st December 2000 X4, A occupied the property when it became the company's head office. Can I say when they occupied this, what was became the company's head office? So IP to this one. On the date of change of use, the property's remaining useful life is estimated to be 30 years. If fair values model if fair value model is followed by IP, will you depreciate everyone?
नो सर.
No, sir, we will
Depreciation
not.
नहीं होगा.
So what will I do then?
फेयर वैल्यू करेंगे आप. 0.15 का गेन होगा जो P&L में जाएगा.
Can I say what is the value on this date here?
5.85 million.
And what is the
Fair value 6 million.
okay, this is fair value is how much? 6 million. So what is the gain?
Gain 0.15.
0.15. Where will you record this? P&L?
P&L.
Investing category. Then what will I do, everyone? I will transfer this 6 here. Then for how many months? For then depreciation divided by 30 every year, everyone. Once I bring into PP, what will be the depreciation then? 6 divided by 30.
0.2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Case 1, easy. Case 2, everyone, same. IP
5.85 का कैरिंग अमाउंट आएगा पीपी के लिए.
cost model
5.85 and
डेप्रिसिएट होगा वो 30 years के
carrying
लिए.
amount is 5.85. Then on 31st December, etc., on the date of change. Can I say this carrying amount will directly be shifted now?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Sir, we should charge 3 months depreciation, no?
yes, sir, that's what I'm
But have
thinking.
they given the data on 1st October? What is the useful life? No. If a question comes in your exam, it will be given. Here, for understanding purpose, I have not given. The other question, in other questions, you will see. Any doubts to anyone?
Oh, they have
सर ये
given
कैसे
the
पता
use.
चला कि पीपी कॉस्ट मॉडल पे है हमारा?
तो पीपी कॉस्ट मॉडल, पीपी तो कॉस्ट मॉडल, पीपी के बारे में कुछ दिया ही नहीं है ना. इफ
तो
नथिंग
हम
इज गिवन, व्हाट इज द डिफॉल्ट मेथड देन?
कॉस्ट मॉडल.
हाँ तो वही है बेटे.
ओके सर.
Sir, they have given that the useful life is 30 years, right? So we can use that. No, sir.
But on what date they have given the useful life is 30?
Just a second.
See?
Okay, on the date of change of use. So 31st December ka depreciation.
You'll
Useful
see other questions. Do not worry. Those type of questions also there. This is first basic question, Baba. Now everyone, there's one more question. Here you can say that for the coming years, the depreciation will be how much? For the future years. Question number 2.
सर इसमें 3 months का डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज होगा, उसके बाद ट्रांसफर।
On 1st October 2004, B owned a head office building. Head office means what?
Sir,
IAS
IAS 16 PP.
16
with a
people.
cost of 4 million and accumulated depreciation is how much on that date?
0.8.
So can I say cost is 4 million. AD accumulated depreciation is what? 0.8.
0.8.
Can I say this is on what date? 1st October then. Based on a useful life of 20 years. Okay, it is SLM. Can I say SLM, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the depreciation per year? Sir, 4 divided by 20. How much is this?
0.8.
0.2 per year.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if they have done 0.8, how many years depreciation they have charged?
4 years.
4 years depreciation they have charged.
On 31st December, the building met the definition of investment property when B rented it out. Now you say, can I say this is a case of what to what, beta? PP to
Cost
PP to
to
investment property.
PP to investment property.
PP to investment. Everyone, listen. Now say me this value, the carrying amount which we are getting, 4 minus 0.8, that is 3.2. This 3.2 million is the carrying amount on what date? 1st October 2004.
2004, yes.
But on what date I am transferring this?
सर आप फर्स्ट 31st
31st
December
December.
कर रहे हो,
2000.
तो 3 months का डेप्रिसिएशन देंगे।
What is the date till 1st October? No? My carrying amount कितना है? 3.2 sir. जी. But on what date we are transferring? So what is my carrying amount first of all here? Everyone getting 3.15?
Yes, sir.
I hope everyone getting the same answer. 3.15.
15.
3 months depreciation we are charging. Nothing else we are doing. A little bit extra question now. Small change. 3 months depreciation. Yes, sir. Now everyone, listen here. Now what is the case saying here? If B applies the fair value model to investment property, if fair value there, can I say for PP they are following cost model only, better?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
now say me everyone, what is the fair value on this date? 4.5. So my carrying amount is 3.15. Fair value is 4.5. What is this? Gain of how
Gain
much?
1.35.
Where will I record this gain, everyone?
Sir, revaluation OCI, sir.
Old standard, everyone. Old standard is what, sir? PPE. So where will I record this in? OCI.
OCI.
So debit credit क्या हो जाएगा? Debit IP.
नहीं ऐसे ओके
Now will you depreciate this for future years?
No.
No,
no sir,
sir.
FP है ना।
अभी चलो next one. What is the next question saying you? If A applies cost model, can I say cost model if they apply? What will happen here? If IP is following cost model, can I say will there be all this gain etc.? No drama,
No,
nothing.
sir.
Simple, what will I do? This value, whatever is the carrying amount, I will transfer to
IP.
3.15 IP to PP.
Can I say this I will depreciate or not now?
Yes, sir. We will.
When I depreciate, the number of years will be how much? The remaining years you have to count, bete. Remaining years, that is 4 years are done. Can I say 4.25 years are done? That is 4 years and 3 months are done. So remaining for how many years depreciation will be charged there? 15.75 years or 15 years 9 months
9
depreciation.
months. Yes, sir.
I hope everyone solved this question and got the same answer. Others? Manan, Arvind, Rohit, Satvik, Simran, Suchit.
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So with this is done. चलो question के ऊपर question दे रहे sir. As I mentioned, for sure topic, so we can't take a risk in this. Now be a little bit quick in these two questions. After that, some theories there which we have to discuss, then we'll wind up the session. Let's be a little bit quick. 5 or 10 minutes will extend, no issues in that. But we will do. No need to give homework, do it here only. Usually I give this 2 questions as homework, but let us do here only. Say me what will go in P&L?
Sir, $1.5 million, sir.
So it's a case from what to what, everyone? It's a case of IP to
Sir, I
PP.
PP, everyone. Chalo, on what date we are transferring? 1st July. After how many months?
6 months.
6 months.
Now everyone, a question. Will you calculate depreciation for the 6 months?
No, sir. We
No,
will not
sir.
calculate.
We
Why
will not
no?
calculate.
Because investment property is at fair value.
Fair value
Fair
model.
value.
So what is the fair value here, everyone?
14 million.
Sir, it's
Fair value kitna hai? 14 million. So what is the gain in P? This 12
Sir, 2
million.
million.
2 million. Where we will
2
record
million,
this 2
sorry.
million gain in?
P&L.
P&L
Sir,
which category?
Investing category.
Now say me on this date what will happen on 1st July? That is on 1st July. It becomes PP.
Yes, sir.
yes.
So when it becomes PP, what is the entry? Debit, PP, credit, IP.
IP.
14 million, 14 million. Now can I say what should I do for this PP now from this date? Can I say I have to depreciate or not?
Depreciate
Yes, sir, we
for
have
6
to
months.
depreciate.
For how many months, everyone? 6 months. Now please calculate the depreciation for me.
Sir, it's
Sir, it's 0.5 million.
0.
5 million.
5 million. Sorry, it's 2.
कौन है रे? नया साउंड है, मेरे को नया साउंड लग रहा है. Who answered 0.5? Wait. Okay, Suchit.
Yes, sir. Way there.
Okay. First time, first class?
Yes, sir.
Chalo now, can I say 6 months how much it will be, everyone? 14 million divided by 14. Easy hai yaar question. This question is damn easy, I hope. Divided by into 6 by 12, that is 0.5. Yes, sir. This will be recorded in P&L. Which category?
sir, operating.
Operating category.
So can I say in P&L 2 amounts are going here?
Yes.
2 million.
Whether you are a SBR student, FR student, SBR you have to type out and say 2 million will go to P&L, depreciation will be this much. Your FR students will just have to tick a box or tick the answer. So what is the net that will go now? Say me, what is the net?
2.5 million, sir. Actually. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Gain.
1.5.
1.5 is the net amount, yes. हो गए सबका? Done with this everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. अभी ये क्वेश्चन होमवर्क कर लेना, मैंने सोचा कि सारा करवा दूं. Can we do it here only or you will do it?
Sir, we will do it.
अरे तो तुम्हारे एफआर स्टूडेंट क्वेश्चन बहुत है एमसीक्यू, वो भी कर लो तो बस से तुम. Others, what do you say? If 5 to 10 minutes we can extend and complete this, or will you do it as a homework?
Sir, extend.
Extend. पहले मैं डिस्क्लोजर करवा देता हूँ. Let me complete the theory, then we will come to that. Listen everyone now. What are the disclosure? फालतू का टॉपिक, not important as mentioned, but we should learn, sir. Syllabus में है, we have to do it. Sir, what are the disclosure? Disclosures are done for what reason? Sir, disclosures are mainly done for what reason? To give an idea or to give the detail regarding the standard. Yes, sir. Whatever calculation we have done. See, no, accounting policy, whether we are using fair value or cost model, whether we are using revaluation model or cost model, we have to mention it. We have to mention it then. Assumption in determining fair value. So when we calculate the fair value, what was your thinking? What was the assumption behind that? That we studied in IFRS 13 in detail. Then if cost model, sir, if cost model, we are using cost model. If we use cost model, we will depreciate. So depreciation, yes, sir. Depreciation method, whether SLM, WDV, whether there is a change in estimate, useful life is changing, residual value is changing, etc. Then must disclose the fair value of the investment property. This is important. Sir, we are using which model? So we are using cost model, but still we have to disclose what? The fair value of the IP. Sir, if revaluation model, disclose a reconciliation of the carrying amount of the PP at beginning and the end of the period. Whenever we follow revaluation model, what is the fair value gain? Mention that. Prepare a reconciliation statement like your passbook. What is coming in, what is going out, same way we have to prepare. Yes, sir. If any restriction is there on that IP, let's take this land. On this land has a restriction because I've taken a loan on this. As a security, I'm using this land. This investment property I'm using as a security. Many companies does not to take a loan. Yes, sir. Then detail of income and expense for such investment property. So during the year, what is the income and expense? Then use of independent professional value. That means when we calculate fair value, we will not calculate fair value, Baba. You have the knowledge. Do you have the experience? You know IFRS 13, but do you have the experience to calculate the fair value? Hire some other person. If you calculate, you will do golmaal only. Standard is saying if you do everything by yourself, everything will be Govinda only then. You only prepare the accounts, you only do the audit. That is the reason they are saying use independent value. This is the disclosure part. Just have a reading once before the exam. आता नहीं है, एक बार पढ़ के चले जाना. Yes, sir. Now coming to the remaining theory. This is the theory which is mentioned in IFRS 18. IFRS 18. Everyone, did we cover IFRS 18 or not? First of all, say me. Say me. Either FR or SBR student. Chalo, say me. Did we cover IFRS 18?
Sir, conceptual framework.
Now,
we haven't covered for
we did. But can I say when we have learned the format of P&L, we have learned the classification or not?
Yes, sir. That we did.
So the standard is also saying that if anything is relating to investment property, where will you show? Where will you show? Investing category. वही लिखा है standard में. Other than this, there is no theory. See now. Can I say we have fair value gain, everyone? That also we will show in what? investing category. Can I say depreciation also I will show in investing category? Sir, when I dispose the investment property, I am selling my investment property. If I sell my investment property, I will get a gain or not? That gain also will go to investing category. So basically IFRS 18 is saying that most of the items will go to what? Investing category. Yes. So see now. IFRS 18 presentation and disclosure in financial statement require income and expense in SOPL are classified in one of the operating, investing, financing, income tax or discontinued category. Can I say these are the 4 categories which we have learned? Yeah, this we have not covered. Coming week we will cover this. Operating, investing, financing, income tax. Now, investment property that is unrelated to its trading activities, that means not related to business. Investment property generates a return individually and largely independent of all other resources. Therefore, holding investment properties and investing activity. अरे सर हमको ये मालूम है सर. See now, IFRS 18 therefore requires the certain related income and expense are presented in investing category. So see now, income generated by investment property, rental income, show in investing category. Income and expense arising on initial and subsequent measurement. Sir, we have learnt IAS 16. In IAS 16, some expenses meet the definition of cost. Some expenses does not meet the cost criteria, like your staff training, general administrative overheads, all this. Where did you take that?
To P&L operating
P&L
category.
operating, but what should you do here now? What should you
Here
do
we
here?
should do
Investing category.
investing category.
Investing category, sir.
Then, sir, any fair value gain, any depreciation, etc., everything to investing. Then, incremental expenses directly attributable to the purchase of sale of investment property. Yes or no? Whenever we purchase, if it is directly attributable, what we do? We add to the cost of the asset. If not, take it to P&L investing category. Yes, sir. Now read this point, everyone. The one in blue color. What is this here? What is this point saying you? कंफ्यूजन हो गया? हाँ, अरे बाप रे बाप.
सर कंपनी का मेन बिजनेस एक्टिविटी इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टीज खरीद के रखना नहीं है.
Simple. The standard is saying what? No, ये आता नहीं एग्जाम में, but just they have mentioned. I don't know. इसका लॉजिक क्या है? Simple to show the expense in the business part only. Simple. See now, in investing, all we have learned, sir, each and everything is shown in what, sir? Investment category. Whenever you have an investment property, can I say some of the day-to-day expense will be there or not? I have a property, I'm giving
Yes,
this on
sir.
rent. Some of the other expense will be there. Standard is saying that instead of showing this in investing, you show in what? Operating.
Operating.
This ये लॉजिक है नहीं. This is written on the study hub, इसलिए मैंने लिख के हाईलाइट किया हुआ. But
सर तो जो भी एक्सपेंसेस रहेंगे वो सारे ऑपरेटिंग कैटेगरी में जाएंगे.
normal, what they are saying like running cost, maintenance cost are taken to.
इसके अलावा बाकी
इसके
सब
अलावा
उसमें जाए.
others will go to investing category. आएगा नहीं, but just highlighted. Many students are smart. They say कि सर हम study hub रेफर कर रहे, ये कर रहे, वो कर रहे, तो उनके लिए लिखा हुआ है पॉइंट. That is the reason. See now, what is the exam advice, especially for FR students? In the exam, you will get a question regarding investment property only. SBR students, you have to read the case. If they just mention property, you have to decide first of all whether IAS 16 or IAS 40. But for FR students, whenever the term investment property is used, यही term use होगा. Other than this, nothing will be used. SBR students, you have to be careful. If they say property, decide whether it's investment property or PP. For FR students, examiner will use this word. If they use investment property, what will you follow? IAS 40. If not,
IAS 16.
16 पे.
yes sir. So this is done. Chalo. So with this, your IAS 40 is completed. Yes sir. IAS 40 is completed. So with this, your IAS 40, these notes I will share. FR students, the MCQ is mapped. Do it accordingly. When coming to SBR students, sir, हम क्या करें? 25th, December 25th, you'll attend the class. At that time, I will take one question. How should you write down the theory? How should you present the answer? We will do. And I will give 2 questions from your past papers which you have to do. Yes, sir. Now, अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन करना है तो कर लो. If you're saying, sir, we will do in homework, no issues for me. What will you do? चलो चलो सेम ही क्या करें? होमवर्क दे दो कि करोगे अभी? सर थक गए सर. Done with the day, sir. हाँ
Homework.
homework ही
Yes,
दूंगा.
sir.
चलो,
Homework.
this is your homework. Do it. So with this part is done. So with this, I hope you have understood IAS 40 in detail. I know SBR students will be saying, sir, हमको इतना, but I hope you enjoyed the class. If not, अगर SBR में करते तो फटाफट से 1 hour में. But yes, what is required for the exam? Yes. But here we have solved question. As mentioned, 3 standards will be attending this class. One class is done IAS 40. The remaining 2 is what? IAS 36 and IFRS 5. So with this part is done. So as mentioned, the first 5 lectures are demo. FR students, demo lectures are done. This is the last lecture which will be uploaded on YouTube. Baki sir, from tomorrow, fees pay कर दो, login ID मिल जाएगा. You can access the video on your platform. You will be getting the keys. Yes sir. So now, as mentioned, if you want to enroll to the class, the first 5 lectures are demo as we have completed for SBR, AFM, ATX, FR, FM, UK tax, that is your taxation there, then your PM and FM. So these are the subjects. If you want to enroll for the live classes, either connect with me or with Chinmay sir. So with this, bye bye, have a good day, signing off, Radhe Radhe to everyone.